We are back in action on this Skyhook stream. We've got our Stream Pro all janked up. Let's see what happened to that. Great day to start our first big stream. Great way, great way. That goes over there. This should go back. Webcam is live and working. What's up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for hanging out today at Quasi TV. We're just trying to get everything sorted out here with our stream overlay. It's got a little bit funky. Latest follower is there, but not even showing. Latest follower. Oh, no, don't move the stream overlay. Don't be crazy. I should stop touching this stuff. No. You guys can see how a stream is made live. This is behind the scenes action on trying to make your stream overlay good. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing in chat? I'm missing the chat. Nothing is happening on your screen. The Dragon 87 check just made your first game. It is typical Unity noob game with a rolling ball. Awesome. Make a course with different obstacles. Sweet. Do you have a GIF or any screenshots of the game? I would love to take a look. Oh, Cintiq is in the shot. All right. What's up, guys? I'll make my camera go this way. There we go. What's going on, guys? The channel is wrong, so let's turn off Stream Pro and turn it back on. Sometimes it connects to Stream Pro instead of connecting to our chat. There we go, connect to Quasi TV. Check, definitely send a link. I would love to see what you're working on. That would be awesome. What's going on, everybody? We are working on Skyhook. It is a game where you fight with grappling hooks, out now on Steam Early Access. I'm going to fire up Unity here while we stare at Toja's amazing fan art in the game. If you guys haven't, check out Toja. He's hanging out in chat. He's an incredible artist. Check, the course is not finished yet, but the programming mostly is. It's very basic. That's cool, man. That's cool. Congrats on finishing your first thing, or getting close to finishing your first thing. That is huge. Yeah, definitely send a link. I would love to check it out. If you guys are hanging out on Quasi TV, I'm a game dev. I make games. If you guys are game devs, if you're making games, if you're making art, hey, Fat Daddy, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. If you guys are making your own games, definitely shoot me a link in chat. Just tell us before you're going to do it, and I will check out your games and check out what you're working on. I would love to take a look. Recoding Life, what's going on, Recoding Life? Welcome back. All right, guys, we are going to jump into Skyhook here. Whoa! What was that? Volume control, volume. It's like Unity is playing through like 5 different audio sources or something. All right, I'm going to set the sound to 3. Cool. I'm going to restart this. I don't know what's going on with Unity. Jet Dragon 87, you see stuff? Cool. Recoding Life, you sense an incoming sub button. Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the force? Rogathian, working on a procedurally generated adventure game. Still using placeholder. Let's take a look at Rogathian's work. Sweet. It's a Zelda-like. This looks awesome. Procedurally generated. Awesome, man. Placeholder art. Totally. Hello from Ireland. Megamic McFisty. Hey, Mega McFisty. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Hello, all the way from Ireland. You love to make your own games, but it seems so hard to get into with kids and all. Yeah. I imagine it's hard. Bartwee, what's going on, Bartwee? 18 and more. My game looks. Rogathian's game looks awesome. This procedurally generated. It's going to be sweet. Looking forward to Rogathian. Looking forward to that. So I'm going to mute the audio in the game here. So let's start this up. We are going to do a Twitch match, which means this is how it works, guys. When I hit invite Twitch chat, you have 30 seconds to type !play into chat. If you type play, you have the chance of showing up as one of the bots in the game, right? And whoever wins gets 1,000 doubloons. Doubloons is the currency we use here on Quasi TV. So I'm going to hit the button, get ready with exclamation play. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. Hit exclamation play in chat. There we go. We got X and F in. We got Jamaican Tony. Damage Ball is in. MPS and Claire. Recoding Life is in. Fakes. Signer It. States Mando. Daniel. Oh my god. Mike. Septu. Hey, Stealth Mando. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Why are we getting double audio? I think it's because I have Stream Pro open. There we go. Ugh. 8 and more, queued in. Stock Henry's queued in. All right, and the winners are Sinert, Mega MC, Stock Henry. Sinert, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Check this out, guys. This is Mega MFCFC. Well, Mr. Own 666, welcome to the crew. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Stock Henry, Signer, and Megam, or Mega McFisty. Mega McFisty is in. I'll choose a Nara. So if you guys haven't seen this game before, this is a game where you fight with grappling hooks, out now on Steam Early Access. You can jump around. It is a 2D platformer. You can use your grappling hook to swing around. Regathian, welcome to the crew. Thanks for joining the new channel. You can jump around with your grappling hook. You can perform melee attacks, and you can dodge on the ground and in the air. So I'm going to jump into a battle here against Sinert, Mega McFisty, and Stock Henry. So let's go deathmatch, 3 lives. We'll begin and we'll head over to King's Fall. Alright, here we go, guys. It's me versus Stock Henry, Signer, and Mega McFisty. We're going to swing on with our grappling hooks. We each have 3 lives to go. Remember, the winner of this match gets 1,000 doubloons, and the bot is playing for you. Got some crazy... I have my screen shake set to like Mega Max right now. Fat Daddy, will I be using my old channel? No, I'm going to be leaving my old channel, and I'm going to be streaming on this one from now on. Alright, Signer takes me out for the kill. Alright guys, you guys could vote for what power-up we get. You could vote for Griffin, Slow, or Cannon in chat to vote for that power-up in stream. What is going on with the music? Slow gets a vote, Cannon gets a vote, Mega McFisty grabs the spaceship, Slow wins. Slow motion is activated now. I'm going to try to grapple Mega McFisty in the face. I'm going to dodge behind him. He tries to chop me. I'll melee both of them. Oh, but Signer takes us both out. It's just me and Signer now. 1 life. Okay, and Signer takes me out for the win. GG, Signer. GG. Alright, Signer wins, which means, Signer, you get 1,000 doubloons. If you guys want to check how many doubloons you have, you get them for watching the show. You can type exclamation treasure into chat to check how many doubloons you have. Signer for the win. First game, first win. Well done, my friend. Well done. Let's see what's going on. Is the stream's up? Drop frame's looking good. Let's get the music back on. Alright, guys, that was Skyhook. We'll do another quick Skyhook match with some Twitch chat, guys. Some of you guys, some Twitch chat. Daniel, we're 5 viewers short of 100. Awesome. Awesome. Let's play this music. Playlists. All right. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Just a little bit too soon, Benja TV, a little bit soon. Ready, set, type play into chat. Type play into chat now to get queued in for this Skyhook match, guys. Now's your chance. 26 seconds to go. 22 seconds. Type play into chat. There we go. Benja TV is in. First and foremost, Snow Day Software, Stets Mando, Fakes, Mike17110, Alex Politic, Stock Henry. I missed a couple in the middle. 8 seconds, guys. 8 seconds. All right, Daniel pops in at the last moment, and the winner is Snow Day Software, Benja TV, and Jamaican Tony, all spawned in as Finn. Awesome stuff. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Colt Zero, you're also a programmer with a focus on procedurally generated content. Awesome. I'll play as the shark as well. I'll be the yellow shark, because all the other colors are taken. Colt Zero, you're basically making your own project. Cool, we'll check it out. Let's take a look at Colt Zero's game. Sweet, made in Unity. Whoa, that is awesome, man. That's all procedurally generated? This is really cool. All right. This is awesome, Cold Zero. Awesome stuff, man. Dual contouring GPU. Cool. So what is it? Is it generating like an island? I think I kind of see like biomes and different kinds of terrain. Let's do this, guys. We're going to do another 3 live death match with Snow Day software. And I forgot everybody else who was in the match. We're going to go over to Tombs of Ra. All sharks, Sky Shark Hook, that's right, told ya. Jamaican Tony, Snow Day Software, Benja TV versus me. Everybody's playing as a shark character. Oh my gosh. So much chomping right now, so much grappling, so much hooking, so much skying. Here we go. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. I got chomped. I have the screen shake set to Vlambeer mode right now, which means it's on like crazy Omega level. Recoding life, you wonder how you build a world and then actually make a game in that world. Yeah. Alright guys, vote for Cannon, Invisi, and Speed. Vote for the power up. It's all down to Benja TV and Jamaican Tony. Here we go. It's a bot v bot battle right now. We'll have to watch them. I'm not even playing. Cannon gets the vote. Oh, and Jamaican Tony takes a dive. Benja TV. Benja TV for the win. Benja TV for the win. Great stuff, great stuff. 1,000 doubloons for you, Benja TV. 1,000 doubloons, good sir. Alright guys, we're going to do one more Skyhook battle before we jump into actually coding up the game and doing some game devin. Alright, here we go. Get ready. I'm going to hit invite, and I'm going to invite you guys to chat. Or I'm going to invite you guys in chat. So type play to get into this match. Exclamation play, that is. Exclamation play. Alright, Benja TV, XNF is in. Good stuff, Fakes is in. Remember, you guys don't need any applications or anything. Oh my god, so many people queuing in. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Tojo picks blue. Remember, you guys don't need to download anything or whatever. All you gotta do is type play into chat and you have a chance of showing up. Cold Zero is in. Zubs is in. Adamore is in. Stock Henry is in. And the winners are Sebzub, That Dragon, and a Cecil. Good stuff, guys. We got a Finn, we got Anara, and we got Runa. So I will even it out with the 4th character, Jade. She's a cat, and cats are awesome. We're going to change it up for this one, guys. For this game mode, instead of doing Deathmatch, we're going to do Skyball. Skyball is a game mode where you have to use your grappling hooks to swing around the stage and score goals. So I'm going to turn on Skyball mode. We'll make it 3 goals to win. So there's 2 teams. So I'll go red. I'll take Seb with me. And the Dragon and a Cecil will go on blue team, guys. So this means you have twice the chance of you winning. We're going to go over to Frostguard. The wintry skies of Frostguard. So it's me and Sebza TV versus a Cecil and the Dragon. The Dragon picks up the ball, heads for the goal. I will steal that ball from him. Oh, and I'll get taken out by the Drago. Grab the ball here. Oh, ball's taken by the Drago. Drago kills everyone and scores a goal on us. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, I already missed out on the first goal. Oh, I got an interception. Pass the ball. Drago almost scores. Damn, these computers are killing me. A Cecil with the goal and the melee combat knockdown. Oh man, here we go. Alright, you guys can vote now. Griffin, Mirror, or Invisi to activate those power-ups for us. I'm going to get a free shot here. Free goal. Oh, another free goal. Okay, I got taken out by a Cecil, who passes it to the Drago. Drago is down there, gets up to the goal. Oh, I'm going to steal it at the last second. Oh, got stolen by Drago. Sub steals it. A Cecil passes it to Drago. These are all bots playing right here, guys, with names named after people from the Twitch audience. Subs gets it back. The Drago takes us both out. Almost scores a goal, but misses it. I'm going to steal the ball from him. These bots are too good. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, it looks like the votes didn't get picked up. No. Oh, right. And blue gets the goal. A Cecil and the Drago for the win. Awesome stuff, guys. Awesome stuff. Treasure add. Who we got? We got a Cecil. 1,000. And the Drago, is it actually just the Drago? The Dragon 87. 1,000. Awesome stuff, guys. 3 Skyhook matches in. That was a good time. Now we're going to actually get to working on the game. So what we're going to focus on today is we're going to keep adding some more. We're going to improve the Twitch integration stuff. Turn down the music here. Sub, it's so cool. Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, it was a great time. Zrodibur, what's up, Zordaborg? Zrodrigbor. Man, I always mispronounce your name. Benja TV, where do you get the graphics, etc.? Benja TV, I made everything myself. So I made all the art, I made all of the codes, I designed the game. Julian Shanahan makes the music, and Catherine Murray does the loading screens. Um, if that's what you meant. All right, guys. So today on stream, we are going to work on some more Twitch integration stuff. So we're gonna Rigathian, the AI is pretty damn good. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it was a ton of fun, and it was really really challenging getting them to work. Every now and again they'll do some silly things, but we're smoothing them out. We're gonna be working on them more on stream as well. Sign what can treasure do? So for watching the show, you get doubloons while you're watching the show. So you earn doubloons, and you could use those doubloons to battle. Let's see how many treasure I have. I have 54 doubloons, so I'm going to go all in. So you can just, right now we have one mini game. You can battle with your doubloons. You can kind of gamble them. It's on cooldown right now. But if you guys keep hanging out on stream, we're going to be working on more mini games. We're going to be working on more Twitch games so we can integrate them into our chat. And Damageball hanging out in chat is working on a Twitch game for us right now, so that's exciting. All right, so for today on Twitch, we are going to be working on more Skyhook Twitch integration. Yesterday we fixed a bunch of issues with the HUD, so I'm going to switch over to that branch. Shabba-dee-bop, source tree. So we're going to switch over to the latest branch in the game. We are going to add some more Twitch stuff. Basically what I'm focusing on today is being able to, let's check out this branch right here. Yes. Push messages to the chat. So what we want to do is, oh goodness. Discard. Hold on a sec, guys. So we want to be able to do is whenever I hit the play button, I want the chat to say, hey, everybody, press play. And whenever like the countdown is going, I want the countdown to say like, hey, time's running out, press play now, and stuff like that. So we're going to push that kind of stuff. Hey, P-Hill, what's going on, P-Hill Lead? P-Hill Lead, what's going on? Cold Zero, you made a small and crappy game for Ludum Dare, Ludum Dare, sorry, using an older and flawed version of your voxel implementation. Sweet. Oh, check this out, guys. This is awesome. 2-button control with a theme and growing. Nice. Do you have like a video or a GIF of the game? This looks cool. Is that like a plant? That looks awesome. Signer, how did I start programming? What did I start with? I started programming in college. I started with Python, which I think is a decent place to start. I think I have a thing called learn. I think it's called how to code is a command. No. What are commands? There is bot commands, characters, Code Academy. If you don't know how to use code at all, if you don't know how to program, Code Academy is a great place to get started with coding. That is not like an affiliate link or anything. I just think it's a good place to learn how to code. Code Academy is great. I learned how to code. Yeah, I made like a Pac-Man clone in Python, but pretty much everything else I learned about game dev was all YouTube tutorials, watching Twitch streams, watching YouTube tutorials about how to make games in Unity, etc., etc. So you can do it all. If you don't know how to code, you can learn it all. Right now, you're never too old or too young or too artist or too not programmer. I think I missed the question. How did I start programming? How's everyone? PL, we're all good. Benja TV, how long did it take to make this game? This game has been in progress since April 2014, so 1 year and 8 or 9 months, something like that. Did I watch tutorials? Yeah, I watched tutorials. Some tutorials I could recommend on Unity on YouTube is Sebastian Lake's tutorials are great. Unity's Learn tutorials on their website is fantastic. That's how I learned how to make Unity games. Yeah, those are my two to like go to. And then Daniel S&D, who hangs out in chat, makes a bunch of Unity utilities and tutorials. His stuff is fantastic. He also streams a Unity game dev, so that's a great way to learn as well. The clouds in the image are made out of voxels. Oh, that's awesome, Cold Zero. That is sweet. Yeah, that's cool, man. Cloud fragrance. Cool stuff. Good stuff. Unity Asset Store is down. Oh man, that's rough. That's annoying. The game's about burrowing through the clouds to collect from them. Sweet. How'd you come up with the idea? I'm just recompiling Unity here, switching over to our latest branch with more updated Twitch stuff. All right, we're going to jump into Visual Studio. Once this is done loading. Let's just restart Unity.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Holy Automation, welcome to the crew. Thank you very much for the follow. How's it going, my friend? How is it going? Seps up, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. All right, we're firing up Unity here, getting back into some Game dev, deving, games dev. Watson619,
Fish, did somebody
Unreal
say
Folk.
fish?
Hey, Upset Games. Welcome to the crew, Upset Games. Thank you for the follow. How is it going, Upset Games?
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Gary Doo, oh, Gory Doo. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. All right, let's jump into the game here, guys. We're going to work on the Twitch Manager. So let's test this out first. I'm going to fire up Visual Studio real quick. Jamaican Tony got grappled in the face by the enemy crew. R.I.P. Jamaican Tony. R.I.P. Fun Games 2. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Welcome. You're watching Skyhook Game Development. Kunger. Wait, I'm going to miss the name. No, where'd it go? Kungernail. Kungenkrell. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Here we go, guys. Here's our Twitch manager. So what I added this morning was on chat message received. Nope. On send message. Here we go. Send message to chat. So I added authentication. Sad times for Jamaica. Rames, Twitch didn't send you an email. Rames, are you subscribed to the right channel? You might be getting emails from the other channel. I'm not sure. Sorry. We are live, Rames. We are here. We are making Skyhook. Good afternoon, Rames. Benja, is Unreal or Unity better? Neither are better, Benja. It's all about what you do with them. You can make everything you want in Unreal. You can make everything you want in Unity. You can make 2D platformers. You can make shooters. You can make third person. You can make whatever it is. MMOs. You can make them in both engines. Many games have been made in both engines. They're both amazing game engines. It really comes down to what you can do with it and what you can pull off. So just pick one and learn it. I struggled a lot in the beginning with like, oh man, am I going to start with Unreal or Unity? I dabbled in both for a little bit, but after a while I just picked one and stuck with it for a few years, and now I can do quite a bit with it. Thanks, Rames. Benja TV, which one are easier? They're both pretty easy, man. I'm sorry. There really is no good answer to that question. They're both pretty easy. Daniel, Game Maker. Yeah, Game Maker is easier than Unity and Unreal. Although I don't have to have much personal experience with it myself. So here we go, guys. So I added this method called send message to chat. What that's going to do is it's going to push a message to chat saying type play to join right now. So we have that in there. So I'm going to go over to the Twitch countdown view. Let's see what's calling this method. Find references. So the Twitch join controller does it, right? So here is the coroutine we have, which is making that countdown go down. Tick, 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 tick. So we're going to do a method void on seconds left. We're going to say int seconds left. And we're going to push a message. We're going to say string alert equals only seconds left. Only blank seconds left. And then we're going to say type play to join the Skyhook match. Let's close out some of this stuff we don't need. Yes, Toja, Quasi TV, zoom in on the code. Toja, thank you very much for the reminder. Benja TV, want to start game development? You know what, Benja TV, if you wanted to start game development, just do it, man. Now is the time. If you want to start game development, start it today, my friend. Start it today. Shoop-a-de-boop. We are, so we're going to do on only seconds left plus this. Why'd that go over there? So we're going to say on X seconds left, send another alert to chat saying only blah seconds left. We're going to refactor this to be seconds. Seconds left, type play for a chance to join this Skyhook match. Don't learn to code to learn. Love it. Okay, so on seconds left, shoop-a-de-boop. So we're going to say while countdown is greater than 0, if countdown is less than or equal to 20, start flashing. So we'll do it every 10 seconds. So we'll say if countdown time mod 10 equals 0. Hey, that one guy, 3131. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. You are watching Skyhook Game Development. We're going to say for every 10 seconds, we're going to send an alert, right? So we'll say on seconds left, and then we'll pass in the countdown time. countdown time. And remember, as always, guys, if you have any questions about what I'm doing, why I'm doing, where I'm doing, how I'm doing, anything about game dev, ask me in chat. Make sure you mention my name so I could notice it in chat. Quasi is way more interesting than us. I'm sure you guys are awesome too. It's 20:31 p.m. Oh man, Benji TV, that's wild. It is 14:31 p.m. for me. 12 plus 2 is 14. Here we go, guys. So every 10 seconds, we're going to send an alert. And if countdown equals 5, actually, we could do, if countdown time is less than or equal to 5, then we'll do only 5 seconds left, on seconds left. No, that's going to be kind of spamming the chat. We don't want to do all that. We'll just do it one more time if it's equal to 5. All right, here we go. Let's test this out, guys. Arctic, welcome to the crew, Alter. Thank you for the follow. Where do I live? I'm Benja TV. I live in Buffalo, New York, in the United States. So we're going to say every 10 seconds, send an alert, and on the 5th second, send an alert. All right. Should do every 10, should do every 5. Let's do every 10. Let's start with every 10. Let's test this out, guys. Let's go into Unity, which is probably recompiling and or frozen.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Cutie Pootie, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Cutie Pootie. All right, here we go. Recompiling, boom. All right, we are going to pop into the game. Let's see if this pushes to chat. Ivan TV, you live in Norway. That is awesome, man. That is so cool. Hello all the way from New York. So we got sound on. Let's do verses. Whoa. The sound needs to relax. I'm going to mute that. I have an interesting problem with Unity. For any other game devs hanging out or game dev streamers hanging out, I'd love to know your advice. A big problem I have is Unity seems to overwrite my audio settings for OBS, which is really frustrating. But here we go, guys. Hit the button. Invite Twitch chat. There we go. The queue is open. Type play for a chance to join this Skyhook match. All right. A whole bunch of people coming in. Let's see if it triggers at 20 seconds. 21, 20. Did it? Oh, it didn't trigger. Darn it. Oh, I never actually sent the message. Ah, I'm such an idiot. All right, we'll just play this match and then we'll go back in and do it. Greenish Liquid, what's going on, Greenish Liquid? Greenish Liquid, Holy Automation, Lance Maker, Cecil, FNT Metal. Oh man, so many regulars. I love seeing you guys. Thanks so much for coming back, guys. Thanks so much. All right, and the winners are XNF, Damage Vol, and FNT Metal. FNT Mental. I always called you FNT Metal. My bad. Here we go. I will jump in as a Nara. Get the original 4 in here. We'll do a 5 live. We'll do a 2 live deathmatch. Let's do a 1 live deathmatch. We'll make this really quick. We got to get back into fixing that bug. We'll head over to the Swamplands. All right, here we go. It's me, XNF, FNT Mental, and oh, someone just got killed. All right, guys, you have to vote for Shield, Cannon, or Invisi in chat. So we're going to make an alert for that next. Oh, I'm taking out. It's down to XNF and FNT Mental. All right, XNF for the win. You guys might notice the hearts are totally broken at the bottom. We're going to be working that today on stream as well. XNF for the win. Game over. XNF for the win. Treasure add. XNF 1000. So missing player panel prefab of GeoPanels doesn't exist. So let's see, what did we break here? Game over controller, game over menu, overlay, panels, missing transform. Oops. This is player panel prefab, so it should be GeoPanel, or game over panel. This goes in there. Boom-ba-de-boop. Damage roll, no more 1 life games. Yeah, we have to make it fast because I just fixed the bug. So here's the bug I made, guys. I did all this on seconds left, but never actually I did nothing with the string. I didn't do anything with the string. We need to send the string somewhere. Someone needs to know about this string. So Twitch manager dot message, send message to chat, alert. Simple. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add, let's close all this out. So some things we're going to do today is we are going to add alert on power up HUD display, alert on power up selected by chat. We just added alerts for when the queue starts. Cool, yeah. And then push treasure to chat for winner. We're going to find out who the winner is and give them doubloons automatically through the game. And declare winner in chat. Alright, so let's start with the first one, alert power up HUD display. So the Twitch match controller is what does that. Twitch match controller. If you guys don't know, we are working in Unity. I am working in C# right now. So here we go. This is our Twitch match controller. It starts the HUD right here, starts coroutine, redo HUD, creates the racer HUD. The racer HUD goes in here, spawns the prefab, and gets a list of things to vote on. It goes in here and calls setup. Here is setup, creates the racers, and then down here it creates the string, right? This is a string that shows up on the HUD and it says vote for bloop-de-blop-de-blop, right? So let's get into that. So we're going to get this string, which we already have. We're going to create it, which is great. And so now here we can say, what do we want the chat to say? Oh, FNT Mental, how handful is ReSharper? I hope you mean helpful. ReSharper is the absolute best. If you guys are using Visual Studio and you're working, if you're working in Visual Studio, ReSharper is amazing. Amazing. Check this out. You guys probably don't know. I keep doing this. I press Control-T, and I just search for anything in the entire project, and it just brings it right up. It's so fast. There's so many other things I could do, is shortcuts for making code, stuff like that. But even better, there's an asset on the asset store called Reuniter, which I'm pretty sure my Unity froze. It's recompiling. There's an asset called Reuniter, which actually does that for Unity. So check this out. Let's let it recompile. Hope it doesn't freeze. There we go. So I can go to Unity. Say we're looking for our player prefab. I can press Control-T, and Reuniter brings up this little dialog. I can search player prefab, and there's my player prefab. Like, how sick is that? Oh, can you guys see that? Oh, snap. It doesn't show up on... Oh, that's wild. OBS can't see Reuniter. That's freaky. That's really freaky. Check, can you post a YouTube link to that very basic Unity game? Yes, please, check. Let's check out your game. Post a link, and I will check it out on the stream. For sure. Yeah, I appreciate that. Thanks for asking, Check. Thanks for asking before you posted the link. Very much appreciate that. Let's jump back here. So we have our alert now. So we can say Twitch manager.minstance.onChatMessage or send message to chat, and we can just put in our title, which is going to say vote for !play, !play, !play. So let's do it. Broly, what's going on, Broly? So we're sending this message in, cool, and then we can say on the receive, when it's received. Actually, let's test all this out first before we go too far. Let Unity recompile. In the meantime, we'll Check's game. Ball game, Unity Project 1. Check this out. This game is made by Check, hanging out in chat. Ooh, nice lighting on the ball, Check. Nice lighting on the ball. Very cool. Bouncing around, picking up some coins, picking up some doubloons. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Did the rollerball tutorial help you make this at all? Oh no! Nice. You made the jump. Yeah. Oh man. Hello from Illinois, Dragon87. Hello. Illinois is awesome. I have been there, and it is a great place. Oh, this is awesome, Check. Congratulations, man, on your first completed Unity project. Oh, man, how are you going to get under there? Nice. You win! Nice, and you have a win case. That is honestly the true testament do you have a good demo, right? Can you start it? Can you win or lose? And can you restart it? And that's awesome. You had it all. So great job, Check. Great job, man. All right, let's do this, guys. We're going to check to see if all of our chat alerts work. Remember, our hearts and lives don't work right now, so don't worry about that in the HUD. Here we go. We're going to fire up Skyhook. Hit versus. I'm going to invite you guys. Here we go. Does the message you guys push to chat? There we go. Queue is open. Type play. 30 seconds left. Oh, probably going to not make it for 30. All right, whole bunch of queues. Broly, that tone guy. Sep sub. All right, 20 seconds is working.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Solomaz, welcome to the crew, Solomaz. Thank you for the follow. You're watching Skyhook Game Development, a game where you fight with grappling hooks. Out now on Steam. 5 seconds left, guys. 5 seconds left. All right, the winners are Rafsies20, Greenish Liquid, and Benja TV. I'll jump in as Runa to square out the original
Fish?
4.
Did somebody say fish?
Votor Saver, welcome to the crew, my friend. Thank you for the follow. 3 live deathmatch.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Broly, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Thanks for the follow, man. Let's head over to King's Fall.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
The King90, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. All right, guys, here we go.
Did somebody say
Vote for
fish?
Shield Cannon. It looks like I'm Doofus Digital. Doofus Digital, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. So it looks like this chat is yelling at you, so we're going to adjust that. The bot's like all caps yelling at you. Vote for Shield Cannon and Vizzy. Oh, we got to vote from Greenish Liquid. Oh, Cannons for the win. Cannons gets activated. Very cool. Very cool. Everything is working. The chat thing is working. I'm in the lead here. I'm going to take out Greenish Liquid. Oh, no, I'm not. I can't actually tell. We can't even see our lives right now because it's all broken. We're redoing that stuff, which is nice. So if you guys were hanging out on stream yesterday, if you remember, the HUD wasn't even working properly, right? It was zooming and screwing up, and now it's working very nicely. Slow motion. I'm going to take... Your Greenish Liquid, how great is it that you're also playing as the green cat right now? I'm going to take you out, Greenish... Oh, slow motion is over. Boom. Taken out. Who knows how many lives we have? Who knows? 2 votes for Invisi. Oh, Greenish Liquid claws me in the face with a melee attack. Claws me in the face. Greenish Liquid for the win. All right. Treasure. Add. Greenish Liquid. 1,000. 1,000 Greenish Liquid. Congratulations. Shaky Star Unity 2 days ago? Dude, congratulations. 2 days ago and you already got your first project done. That is sweet, man. Congratulations. Alright, guys, we're going to quit. That's all working pretty well. Seva Z321. Welcome to the crew, Seva. Thank you for the follow. Here we go, guys. So all this is working. We don't want to caps lock all this stuff because that's wild. So we're going to say, okay, let's do... So right now we have this one title that says vote for. Let's take a look at what that looked like in chat. That looked like vote for Invisi, Speed, or Shield. So we're going to change that to, we're going to say string alert message equals type, and then we're going to end it. And then we're going to say alert message. We're going to add the same thing. You know what we'll do? For each thing, we'll say string power up command, power up command equals this. Oops, let me save this here. I'm going to keep that there. So power up command equals this string. So we're going to add power up command equals this. So we can just add power up command to our title. We can add power up command to our alert. So we're going to say vote for blah, blah, blah in the screen. And for chat, we're going to say type exclamation play, exclamation, we can do comma, comma, comma. And then at the end, we're going to say alert message plus equals to vote for a power up. Cool. And then we'll send this alert message over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's all calm down. Let's all be friends. Let's not erase each other. Do I have insert on or something? So we'll add this over here, just cleaning up our organization. There we go. What's up, guys? Daniel, input first, to string, to upper, input substring, where input would be your string. Hold on, I missed something, guys. Daniel, you trying to help me? Oh, yeah, parse out just this beginning section, probably. I'm going to do it this way just so we could customize exactly what string we want to add to the stuff. So we'll do alert message equals type, blah, blah, blah. We'll do power up command dot to lower. There we go. Check, you want to start programming for a year, but you just started. Awesome. Well, welcome. Welcome to the brotherhood, the sisterhood, the familyhood, the quasi-hood of programming. Daniel, stream delay. Yeah, the stream delay is the worst. Thanks, man. Thanks for the help. I really appreciate it. Yeah, that would have been better if I didn't want to add all this extra custom stuff to it. So whatever. We'll just go with this for now. So title, string, a lot of string concatenation, which is not the best. You don't want to do too much string concatenation in your game. But since it's only happening every time the power-up HUD shows, I'll allow some spikes in the CPU. I'll allow it. So alert message to vote for a power-up. This music's getting really spooky. I'm going to switch over to this other play. I'm going to go over some Julian Shanahan's music. Let's go to Julian Shanahan's music. Julian Shanahan is the composer behind Skyhook. Super talented guy. Hails from Canada. The exotic lands of Canada. Hello, Baller House. This is Unity, my friend. This is Unity. Music. Good question, Benja TV. Good question. Oh, you don't hear the music. I gotcha. I gotcha. So I keep the music fairly low. If you guys want me to turn the music up at any point, just let me know and I'll turn it up on stream. I try to keep it fairly low so I don't like obtrude. Check. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Check. I try to keep the music fairly low so you guys can maybe play your own music if you're working on your own stuff. But if you guys want me to turn up the music, let me know. Let me know. Vassal, how many number of sales you already have? I can't actually talk about that, Vassal. So the game is out on Steam Early Access. Steam's NDA doesn't allow us to actually talk about the sales and stuff. But yeah. So I hope that answers your question, or doesn't answer your question. Bot spam, bot spam, bot spam. Yes, the bot will spam the chat. Okay, so we're gonna have the alert message to vote for a power up. Cool, cool, cool. Then on vote for type, we already have that. We know that. So on race winner is here. So winning type equals find winner. Cool. So here we'll say string alert message equals blank wins the vote. And then we'll add winning treasure type. Treasure to command. Trigger, yeah, so we'll do treasure to command. Let's see, where is that method? Treasure to command. Treasure to command. This is how useful Resharper is. So that's in our Twitch match controller. So do we have a reference to that?
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Frost Milko, welcome to the Frost Milko. Thank you for the follow. This is cool. It's a singleton, so we can just grab it like that. So here we're going to say string win command equals treasure match controller.
Fish?
Treasure, oh sorry, Twitch, not treasure. Nuhu12, Nuhu12, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Twitch match controller m instance dot Twitch command, treasure to command, and we're going to pass in our winner, so winning treasure type. So now we have the command that won, and we could create our alert message. Is going to be this win command plus wins the vote. And then we could say Twitch manager.minstance.alert or send chat message alert message. Now if you guys notice here, we're using this a lot, right? We're using a string to do a bunch of stuff. So what we can do is Daniel, does 110 viewers hype warrant a Steam key giveaway? That's a good question, Daniel. What do you guys think? Everybody hanging out, all of you guys hanging out on stream right now. If you guys think that we are warranting a Steam key giveaway right now for having the most viewers in the history of this channel, type Steam key into chat right now. And depending on how many people I see type Steam key into chat, I will fire up a Steam key giveaway for Skyhook. So let's see how many Steam key giveaways we get in chat. Type Steam key giveaway in chat right now if you want me to do a Steam key giveaway to celebrate our 110 viewer hype. We got one. We got one. It's just one. I don't know. It's not enough. Just one. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. There's like one or two. Maybe there's like one or two right now. Shit. Okay, maybe there's like two or there's like okay, five or it's like 10, like 9 or okay. Penis. Close to Steam key. Ibanza close to Steam key. Ibohaza close. All right. I think the majority has spoken. 117. All right, Rames. All right, you guys are all in. All right, cool. We get the vote. The vote has spoken. 149 viewers apparently. Awesome, guys. So the chat has spoken. We will do a Steam key giveaway after you guys help me test. Matt Prosy, welcome to the crew. Matt Prosy, thank you for the follow, my friend. We're gonna test this out. We're gonna test the Twitch integration since I have you guys hanging out here, and then we will do a Steam key giveaway for this game, so you guys could see the game. If you like the game, we'll give you a Steam key for it. 149 damage vol. That's what my OBS says. I don't know. It could be wrong. I imagine Steam Pro is probably freaking out right now. Stream Pro. Alert message, blah, 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 wins the vote. And then we'll say next vote in...
Fish? Did somebody
next
say
vote
fish?
in X seconds. Hey, Imperial Paradox, welcome to the crew.
Did somebody say fish?
Corns FPS, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. So we have a cooldown here. Where is it? Cooldown. Nope. It is here. Twitch match controller. Cooldown. Where is it? Start coroutine, redo HUD. Here it is. Recycle, and then wait for seconds is 2. So we'll say float, power up delay.
Do it!
Just do it! I will just do it, guys. I will just do it. We'll do public. And we'll add that to our alert. We are about to do our Steam giveaway. Do you program the chat log yourself? Ibohaza, I'm using Twitch IRC, which is this awesome. Corns FPS, what's being made here? What's being made here is Skyhook, a game where you fight with grappling hooks, out now on Steam Early Access. I'm using Twitch IRC for Unity, which is this awesome library on GitHub. Boop, find alert. Next vote in X seconds. So we're going to do int seconds to go equals treasure match manager. I keep saying treasure. It's not treasure, it's Twitch. Ibohaza, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. A delay. So power up delay, and we're going to add that here. So in blank seconds plus seconds. Frank347, why do I code my game in C#? So Unity has two main languages, JavaScript and C#. I'm much more comfortable with C#, and it's object-oriented, so that's what I code my game in, yep. Skyhookers, damage ball, Skyhookers. Unity even worse, yeah. I use Unity, man. I like Unity. Unity is awesome. Power up delay, this is a float, not an int. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to test out the match in Twitch. We're going to see if all the chat stuff's working. You know Unreal has C++. Yes, Unreal does have C++. Unreal is awesome. C++ is also awesome. But I am comfortable in Unity, and I've already made the game in Unity, so I'm probably just going to stick with Unity. Unity is bad. Yeah, well, you know, I think it's whichever engine you prefer, Frank344. 334, 3434, 3434. A good Twitch VOD download for Mac. Sorry, Ogre, I don't. Cool. All right, here we go, guys. We are going to start up a Twitch match. Get ready, get pretty. Here we go. I'm going to hit the button. Hit play into chat if you want to queue up for this Skyhook match. 30 seconds to go. Oh, yeah, we're going to remove that. We got Damage Ball, Benja TV, Broly, Kunger Krill, Greenish Liquid. Whoop. Jamaican Tony, Frost Melka, Stretz Mando. Imperial Paradox. We gotta lower the font size. It's a little bit big, so I can't always see what people's names are. Sebsub, Atalanus, Bastanawi, Ebo Zaha, Frank, the Dragon, Toja goes in blue, X and F. Alright, and the winners are X and F, Benja TV, and Stetzman. I will jump in as Anara. Here we go, 3 lives. I will go to the Tombs of Ra. So if you guys haven't seen the game before, this is Skyhook. It's a game where you fight with grappling hooks. It's out now on Steam Early Access. You guys could vote Canon Slow Invisi to vote for a power-up. Cool, that chat message is working. We got a vote for Invisi. Very cool. We got 2 votes for Invisi. Alright. I got that kill. So right now, if you guys don't know what's going on, I'm playing against bots. Alright, everyone got the Invisi power-up. I'm playing against bots named after streamers in chat. And if your bot wins, then you get 1,000 chat doubloons. I'm in the lead. I'm not in the lead. I don't know. Our HUD header's not even working. We got to work on that soon. Right now, we're just making sure all of our chat messages are working. Oh, I just got killed. Stetzman. Multi-kill. Frank3434. Am I a fascist? No, sir, I am not. All right. Benja TV in the lead. It's just down to Benja TV and Stetzman. Here we go. Mirror gets a whole bunch of votes. Speed gets a vote. Oh, too late for that, Rames. Mirror in the lead. Let's see if it activates here. Alright, Mirror activates. What Mirror does is it picks a random character and turns everyone into that character so everyone gets confused. Here we go. It's just down to these last 2. Oh! And somebody gets the kill. I don't even know who it was. The winner was Stetzmando. Stetzmando gets the kill. GG. Treasure add. Stetz. Mando, 1,000 doubloons for you, sir. 1,000 doubloons. Frank3434, unfortunately, this is a channel where we work in Unity and we work in C#. So if you don't like C#, then this may not be the channel for you. I'm sorry about that, my friend. But we are working in Unity. We are working in C#. And most of the people here are fans of both Unity and C#. All right, guys, we got this going. We're gonna write down our to-do list here before we do our Steam Key giveaway. Let's turn the game off. Where'd my Notepad++ go? Here we go. Declare winner in chat. Fix hearts. And declare winner in chat. Yeah. So we got alert power up on display. Alert power up on selected by chat. Do we get an alert in chat for the winner? Let's see. Did I push up? Type in Vizzy. Speed wins the vote. Yes, next vote in 2 seconds. Cool, it worked, it worked. All right, here we go, guys. Are you guys ready for the Steam Key giveaway? Because we're about to fire up the giveaway tool. If you guys are hanging out, now is the time. We're about to do a Steam Key giveaway. And remember, if you are not already following, make sure you follow the channel. You'll need to be a follower to receive your Steam Key giveaway. If you're not a follower and you do win the key, we're going to have to re-roll. So now's your shot. I'll give you guys a few seconds. If you want to get into the Steam Key giveaway, make sure you follow the channel before I fire up the giveaway tool. I'll wait, it takes 10 seconds for that stream delay to get in, so I'll wait for that. Solomaz, loving the stream. Thank you so much. What are my plans for Twitch integration? Titan Roboduck. Thank you for the follow, Titan Roboduck. Welcome to the crew. Solomaz, the ultimate goal is to... Sneeman, welcome back, Sneeman. Good to have you, my friend. Thanks. Welcome to the new channel. Solomaz, the idea is that I'm going to add more things like voting on power-ups, screwing with the game, things that a streamer can play the game, playing against bots and their friends, and just kind of have streamers, or the Twitch audience, screw around with them. T-Fox Horn, welcome to the crew, T-Fox Horn.
Did somebody say fish?
Frank3434, thanks for the follow, Frank. Welcome to the crew. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to fire up the giveaway tool now. Now's the time. Daniel One Quaz, welcome to the crew. Wait, what? Daniel One Quaz. That's weird. Load names. Loading them up. Alright guys, we have loaded up the Latch giveaway tool. If you check this guys out, this tool is amazing. I'm gonna get rid of my bot here. Where is he? Where's Quasibot? There he is. Here we go guys. Now's the time. We're gonna start it. Get yourself prepared because it is officially Steam Key giveaway time. Is it with the apostrophe or not? I don't know. Let's do it! It's Steam Key giveaway time! Let's do this, guys. Let's give away some Steam Keys. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's gonna win the key today? Who is it gonna be, guys? It could be anyone. It could be you, or it could be me, or it could be him, or it could be that guy. And the winner of the Steam Key giveaway is Greenish Liquid. Greenish Liquid, congratulations. Greenish Liquid, you have 30 seconds to say something in chat to win your Steam Key. Ping. Greenish Liquid already pinged. Greenish Liquid. Greenish Liquid, congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Yeah, guys, this tool is awesome. This is the Latch giveaway tool. Latch is a super mega awesome Twitch streamer. He made this tool. He gives it away free on his site. It's super awesome. If you guys are streamers, I would absolutely recommend using this tool. It's so good. It's so good. We're going to save this. We'll call this Greenish Wins. All right, and we're going to tweet that out. We're going to send Greenish Liquid his Steam Key. Oh, man, that was a ton of fun. That was a ton of fun. Rames, you got your Twitch. Did you turn up your volume? I am deaf. Sorry, Greenish Liquid. Sorry. Yeah, the giveaway tool is crazy loud. Crazy loud. All right, we are going to head over to give Greenish Liquid the stuff. Rames, my mic could do with a little more distance from my mouth. Thank you for the feedback. Let me move the mic away a little bit. I am starting to get pretty loud and pretty shouty. Let me know if it's good, guys. Let me know if it's good. We're going to get Greenish Liquid his Steam Key here. Send message. Send user a message. And let's grab a Steam Key. No worries, Rames. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. I appreciate it, man. You guys help make this channel better. Krisher, I don't know what you're saying, but if somebody can translate, I would love to know what you're saying. Skyhook Steam Key. Congrats on your Skyhook Steam Key. Thanks. for being a long-time viewer. Green, but your Steam key is inbound. Inbound. Oh man, oh, the languages are totally changing in chat. This is crazy awesome. I don't speak Spanish either, my friend. I speak a little bit Spanish. I learned it in grade school. Alright guys, let's get back to work. Steam key giveaway for 120. And I'll make you guys a promise. If somehow by some crazy miracle we get to like 200 viewers today, we'll do another Steam key giveaway. If by some crazy miracle that happens. Alright, let's close this all stuff out. Let me tweet that out. Shoopity bop, shabda bop. Skyhook Steam giveaway on our biggest stream ever. Game dev. I'll tweet that out. Dubas Digital, what's going on, Dubas Digital? Alright guys, let's get back to this. Toja, how's the art coming, Toja? Oh man. Daniel, that isn't Spanish. $130 viewers, hype damage vault. Yes, 130 viewers, hype indeed. Rames, is all because of Twitch Creative? I think so, man. I got to give huge props to Twitch Creative. It's working. We're getting so many more eyes on the channel now thanks to switching over to Twitch Creative. So I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it for sure. Cool. I mean, I don't need this log anymore. I've been logging all of our chat messages. Cool, guys. So what do we have so far? We have a message when you send an alert. We have a message. Where's our Notepad++? Why is it being a jerk? We have a message when we voted for when treasure voting comes up. What's up, Sneeman? What's going on? Someone high up with Twitch liked my stream and put you in the carousel today? Seriously? Are we in the carousel right now? No way. That is awesome. That is awesome, man. That is awesome. All right, so we have messages being pushed. Toja is moving along slowly. No worries, Toja. No worries. It's gonna be freaking awesome when it's done. I just know it's gonna be freaking awesome. So we have messages showing up when you vote for a treasure, when a treasure wins. Push treasure to chat. So now we're going to actually allow the game to push doubloons to the chat, right? Because the game is pushing chat on my behalf. So I could just have it actually push doubloons. Ultra Uber Mihak. I use Windows 7. I'm on Windows 7 right now. So here we go. Let me zoom into the code so you guys can see it. So we have the winner. So here on the HUD, we find the winner. We send this message on race winner. Boop. And so we're going to say Twitch Mac Controller trigger voted power up. So I feel like all of this right here, we're going to make it happen on the Twitch match controller. I feel like that's where it would make more sense. Right? Because that's where all the logic should come from. So let's go to this method here, trigger voted power up, and we can just paste it, the same code, so we can just paste all that in here again. And we actually make this its own method. So vote power up winner alert. Vote. I said vote. Void. I meant to say void. Steeman's got a screenshot of us. Wow, check it out, guys. That's us. That's us on creative. So cool. Saving that image. So cool, Steeman. Thank you for that shot. Thank you. So cool. Hello, Twitch. Hello. Yeah, Rames, I figured out. Actually, it was actually thanks to a buddy of mine. I don't know if he's hanging out in chat today. Naomi Arcade, aka Sponge Cake, who hangs out on the stream a lot. He figured it out. He showed me how to do it yesterday at our local Buffalo Game Dev meetup. So yeah, I got an authentication token for my channel, and I can actually push stuff to the chat. So you'll check it out for our next test. So here we go. Trigger. Yes, if you guys want to catch the recordings of the stream, I post them all to my YouTube channel. If you guys can help me, if we can get 100 subscribers on the YouTube channel, then YouTube will actually let us have our own channel name. Right now it's like youtube.com/UCAPRMIZYPRKRP. So if we get 100 subscribers, it actually let me get like youtube.com/QuasiTV. So let's do some type. Trigger voted power up. It's going to go here. This is going to be in this method. It's going to be treasure type, some type. So we're going to say power up winner alert. We're going to pass in some type. And then this method can also do, it's going to send void send Uh, send points to winner. We'll call it that. String user and int points. And this should probably go in the Twitch
Fish.
manager, to
Did
be
somebody
honest.
say fish?
NJ Maverick, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Sebsub, why are we under creative and not game development? So game development's actually gone. RIP game dev. They've merged game dev in with creative, and now game dev is hashtag game dev under creative. So it's all one giant category now, which is working out great for us. So I'm super happy about that. Steam Man, we're number 5 in creative. Let's get even higher, guys. Let's push it to the limit. That's the infinity and beyond. Game devity and beyond. I don't know. I'm done. Send points to winner. Send points to winner. So we need to know who won. We need to know who won the match. We need to know how many points they're going to get. And what that's going to do is it's going to say string alert equals, and let's see our alert message. So here we can say string treasure award command equals treasure add. And so this is going to have to change from game to game. So later on we'll add a UI and stuff like that if we want to allow other Twitch streamers to do it. Right now we're solely worried about Quasi TV and solely worried about making it work really well for our channel, because that's where all of this is going to be happening. NJ Maverick, it turns out you suck at coding. Drag87, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. NJ Maverick, you found us on the Twitch Creative Autoplay. Sweet, it's working. Awesome. Thanks. Well, welcome to Quasi TV. We are working on Skyhook right now, a Steam game where you fight with grappling hooks. I am talking a ton, and I'm going to have a sip of water. So for anyone who's new to the channel, we greatly promote sharing your games. If you are a game dev and you're working on your own game, let me know in chat. Ultra Uber Mihak, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. If you guys are working on your own game, let us know in chat. Let us know you want to post a link to it, and we'll check out your game. So definitely let me know if you're making a game. Treasure add. Yeah, so that's the reward type. So we're going to do treasure award command plus user plus space plus, I just want to remove this space here. I'm going to do it myself. Plus user plus points. So this should add points to Ankbot. Treasure add user 1000. That should work. Now we've got to figure out when to send this. So we know who won based on the game controller who decides the winner. So we can head over to game controller. We have a method called find winner. Find winner. Here we go. We find the winner, winner character ID, player controller, player lives left. Cool. And we'll say void on Twitch winner. And we'll say player controller, some player. Whoa, what's going on here? Let's check our my compupa. Is coolers down for anyone else? I don't know. NG Medic, this is Java. No, this is C++. C++. What is dev environment? I guess that's Visual Studio. OBS, Chrome, Ankbot. Everything looks fine. I don't know why our I have 24 gigs of RAM, so I don't know why my computer is chugging right now. It's pretty frustrating. So here we're going to say on Twitch winner. So we're going to do if player controller lives left is greater than 0. We're going to do if data manager, or is it the game controller? Game manager dot doing Twitch, or has Twitch players, I meant to say. Then we're going to do on Twitch winner. All right, I'm going to switch over to VLC for music here. I don't know why YouTube is being all stuttery. DevN is Visual Studio. Awesome. Thanks, Dupas. Thank you. So let's play some music here. Can you guys hear my music on stream? Or do you guys want it louder, less loud, more loud, super loud, quiet, whisper? Whoa, that's very loud. All right. Let's see, is the music choppy for anybody else? Just my headset, possibly? Alright, let's do on Twitch winner, and then we're going to do player controller dot profile name, or Twitch name, Twitch username, and then we'll do 1,000 points. When you have a class over 1,000 lines of code, yes, you're absolutely right, Lazi. When you have a class over 1,000 lines of code, you're doing something wrong, which we are so doing something wrong here with the game controller, for sure, for sure. Just the headset, okay. Little choppy. Music is stuttering, yeah. Alright, let me restart my headset, I don't know what's going on. Player controller, Twitch username is a string. On Twitch winner, oh yeah, we should just pass it to player controller, whoops. I'm going to say Twitch match controller, yeah. Laz, you're absolutely right. So one of the interesting things about working on your code live is you get to let people see all of your really, really bad code. Send points to winner. So yeah, this game is fairly old, and oh gosh, music is dying here. Let's restart my headset and see what's going on. Send points to winner. We're going to do someplayer.twitch username, and we'll do 1,000. If some player, and then here we'll do if string dot is null or empty user, then return. C# is written in Java? No, C# is just very, very much like Java. Rames, you never name something game controller or game manager. It's so easy to just put stuff in there where when you have one of those. Yep, you know, you're absolutely right. That's kind of what I did, right? Like I just made a game controller, and anything that's like game related, I just shove it in there. So yeah, I should break it up soon. And I'll probably end up doing it on stream, is refactoring a lot of that stuff to break it up to be way better. Most of the stuff is like fairly old code, so yeah, it's very, very duct tapey. So I appreciate the feedback, guys. You're absolutely right. Yeah, C# is Microsoft's Java for sure. All right, guys, I'm going to restart my headset. I'm going to set up the queue first. So actually, we're doing it again. We actually didn't send the alert. So Twitch manager dot minstance dot send message to chat alert. All right, guys, I'm going to start up the queue, and I'm going to restart my headset because I think something's going wrong with that. So let's recompile in Unity, hit play. Ultra, Uber, where I learned C#, I learned it all through Unity tutorials, Googling how the hell to do something in C#, and looking at Microsoft's documentation. Mostly just from experience, like how to make something move or how to add two numbers together. It's very similar to Java, so if you know Java, then you get a head start, which I knew before I started. All right, guys, here we go, 30 seconds. All right, here we go again. We got 5 joined, 5 joined. All right, Damage Fall, Titan Rob, and XNF is in. And Ultra Uber. All right, let's see if the music is still weird. Yeah, it's still stuttering. All right, let's go. Let's test this match out. I will join in as Finn. Alright, and we're going to a random stage. Could be anywhere, could be anywhere. Alright, next up we gotta do our lives down there in the HUD. Let's see. Type Slow Cannon Griffin to vote for a power-up. Super Karamba, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Cannons gets a vote. Oh, Ultra Rube takes me out. Alright, I'm gonna stop the music because it's really choppy. Cannon gets another vote. Here we go. All right, and Cannon for the win. Cannon's falling everywhere right now. So the way the cannon power-ups works is it just drops cannonballs on different enemies.
Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Batmove, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Griffin's in the lead. Oh, you guys probably, I don't think anyone in stream, or a lot of people in stream haven't seen the Griffin power-up before, so wait till you guys see this. It's one of my favorite power-ups of all time. So as soon as that Griffin hits the end of the race, we'll find out. It's just me and Ultra Uber and Titan Rob right now. Check this out, guys. Here comes the Griffins. Boom! Everyone gets a Griffin mount. With the Griffin mount, you can fly around. The Griffins can shoot lightning. You can use them to blow up your enemies. You can jump off of them. The Okangu Clue. Welcome to the crew, Okangu Clue. Thank you for the follow. We're working on Skyhook, a game where you... Oh, I just got killed. Fight with grappling hooks. Shield in slow motion in the lead. You guys could vote for power-ups in chat. And I got the win! I just got 1,000 doubloons. Oh, it worked, guys. Check it out. Treasure ad, Quasi TV 1,000. We're going to have to do lowercase for that, but I don't think it matters. Sweet. I actually won, and I got the doubloons. Very cool, very cool. 131 viewers. Pooh Bear Boy, how's it going, Pooh Bear Boy? Good to see you again. Rames, yeah, yesterday we rewrote the lightning hitbox, so now the lightning actually follows the path of the lightning. It just casts rays from each point in the lightning to each point. Yeah, it's so much better than it was before. It was just one big collider going across. So, yeah, we got that
Did
done.
somebody say fish?
TMV, Team V, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. You're watching Skyhook, a game where you fight with grappling hooks. So, huge important thing, guys, that we've totally broken, right, is this HUD down here. We need to get this HUD working again. Right now, it's just all red. It's just all showing the shark. So, we're going to make a new HUD that shows your player and removes your lives, etc., etc., etc. Ultra Uber, this game makes you good in games. In real life, you suck. Yeah, that's the best thing about playing Skyhook in Twitch is that just the bot plays for you, and the bots are pretty smart. Wait till we put them on hard mode. They get even crazier. All right. How's it going in chat, guys? How are you guys doing? How are your games coming along? Vonnie Cakes, what's going on, Vonnie Cakes? How is it going? We are twitching some Twitch and twitching some Twitch. All right. We don't need this anymore. I thought I got rid of that. Why is that buffer being printed? Don't need this anymore. It's so funny working in the super zoom view. I feel like I'm like a little baby having to see the code so large, but as long as you guys can see it in chat, that's all that matters to me. Dope Us, this game is like Super Smash Bros. With grappling hooks. Yes, the biggest inspirations behind Skyhook was Super Smash Bros., Towerfall Ascension, and Samurai Gun. Those are, and Mega Man X, of course, and Donkey Kong Country. But mainly Smash Bros., Towerfall, and Samurai Gun were the biggest inspirations with fucking grappling hooks. Check, adding checkpoints and obstacles. Awesome. Rames implemented some sweet effing VFX for when you switch skins on your Titans. What? Titans? What Titans? Daniel, you actually got used to it that you're always coding with super large code now. That's so bad. You can barely see anything. You can only see like 4 or 5 lines at a time. Avalonian99, Avalonian, welcome to the crew. Avalonian. How's it going? Just so you guys know, if we get to 200 followers today, we will do another Steam Key giveaway. So keep that in mind. So I don't need these anymore. I did want to change that alert. So on Twitch Match Manager, or on Winner, did we do Winner? No, I think we did it in the game controller. Send points to Winner. Go to definition, send points to Winner. So yeah, back to what you guys were saying before about having really long classes. One of the things you'll see, hopefully, as you go through the game is like newer classes tend to be much shorter and much more broken up. Older the class is, the older it is from when the game was created, from like the original prototype, the longer and more like obfuscated that class is. So yeah, it's just kind of the deep dark secret behind working on this game for so long. Rames, you guys have some badass looking Titans. What, you're gonna buy it right now? Thank you so much. Arctic, thank you so much, Red Arctic. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Yes, guys, the game is out on Steam Early Access. It's $4.99. Duppus, you can't stand coding other than a 9-point font. Holy crap, that's tiny. Rames, you have badass Titans. You can grind tokens to unlock skins. Sweet, that's awesome. Yeah, Rames, is your game out? What are you working on? Man? I might have forgotten, actually. User, we're going to do 2 lower and points. Okay. So we covered that and that. So push treasure chat for winner and declare winner. So we didn't send points to winner. Let's see. String alert. So we're going to do string username. Or we'll just say user equals user.toLower. And then we'll say string alert equals user won the match, or user's bot won the match. And then we'll send this message first, and then we'll add this. We'll do this instead. Then we'll add the command. So declare the winner in chat, and then send the onkbot command for points. So this is good. You don't have to do this anymore because we're doing it already at the top. Oh yeah, Rames, that's what it does. That's why I can't remember your game because you couldn't show it to us. Lazik, do we even need the alert variable? You could just put that in send message to chat method. Do I even need this? Yeah, we could just put all this string concatenation in here. I just like to do it like that. But yeah, you're right. I guess this we could do this to save on setting up new strings. So we can do that, and we can do that. I usually do that just so it's like clearer. So like now when I want to change what the string says, it's easier to just like go here and change this variable. But yeah, you could totally do it like this as well. Sneeman, did the donation link go to the old channel? Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's fix that up right now. Oh, Sneeman, thank you for the $5. Oh my gosh, Sneeman, thank you so much. I can't believe that didn't play. Oh, dude, thank you for the $5, my friend. Let's oh shit, let me change that. Crap, crap, crap. Thank you for the heads up, Sneeman. A minimum, show donation, save changes. Okay,
Fish?
let's fix
Did somebody say
that.
fish?
Let's go to our channel. Darcina, welcome to the crew, Darcina. The guys in control of marketing are super strict, Rames. Oh man, Sneeman, thank you for the follow. Oh man, your name's not gonna show up in the thing. Crap, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna fix that link right now. You could, I wonder if I could give you that $5 back or something. This should go here to submit. Let's make sure that link works. Crap. Click on donations, Quasi TV. Okay, now it should be working to Quasi TV. 7 days. Thank you so much, Quasi. Damage Vol donated to. Nice. You almost got me, Damage Vol. But the should have 2 decimal points, and the dollar should go in front of the digit. Very close, Damage Ball. Very close. City Man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's still connected to my PayPal, so the old channel still gets it. The old channel still gets it. You guys are insane. Thank you so much, City Man. All right, so Quasi TV donation is set up. Daniel, $1 bajillion. Oh, Daniel, thanks so much. So you're so generous. $1 bajillion. Wow. Wow. Cool. All right, we got a Twitch match controller. We got a lot of Twitch stuff in. We're gonna start working on our hearts. Oh man, Damage just bought Daniel. Damage owns Daniel now. Don't forget, you guys can use your doubloons. Oh my god, I got 1,075 from that last battle. Let's do it. I'm going all in, guys. Going all in. So we got to fix the hearts. That's our main prerogative. Prerogative? Prerogative. Prerogative. I think that's a word, right? Prerogative is a word. It's recompiled in Unity. Let it crash because Unity loves to crash. I think I might have finally fixed the crash bug. I think it was because I wasn't killing threads when the application was ending in Unity. I think that might have been what it was. Rames, only the impression that if you reveal too early, all the steam runs out before launch. Yeah, I'm super indie and super solo, so I show you guys everything that I can. You guys can see everything about the game. Unlockable characters, unlockable levels, you'll see it all on Steam. Stream before it's on Steam. So hearts. So here's the old heart container. And we have a new one. So we're going to say player heart, player health. So heart, we have this new prefab. It's called player heart. So it looks like this. You can't even see it. It actually goes inside of this canvas. So let's put that in there. There it goes. This is the HUD that we're working on. Player hearts. Let's reset that. So we're going to create a new script. Let's remove this image here. Continue. Break the prefab. We're going to a new script. We're going to call it player hearts. All right. We're going to close all our other scripts because we don't need them anymore. All right, player controller. So let's see. Our heart needs to do a couple of things. It needs a public image. Needs Unity UI using Unity Engine .ui. So the hearts, the way we used to show hearts in the game is one of the oldest things for the game. So we're gonna refactor some of that here on stream. Quasi TV for the single player, you'll try to keep some stuff off of the streams and blogs on purpose, but it's gonna be hard to control yourself. You love sharing cool stuff. Yeah, my game is not really that. There's nothing super secretive about Skyhook. I might not share any Easter eggs and stuff, but I mean, I would love to show you guys the Easter eggs, and other people won't know. It's not like the whole world will know just because I stream it. Ooh, I got some doubloons from that battle. Nice. So public image, player icon, public. We can say public heart. Oh wait, public game object array. Oops. Heart objects. So we have our icons, we have our heart objects. Whoop, where'd it go? There's Unity. So we actually probably want to create a separate class to control these hearts so we can adjust their color and adjust their border and animate them. Same with the text over there. Oh, Rames, the mobile game. Cool, cool, cool. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. So we're going to add a heart icon class to this. We're going to add that to all of them. Actually, we'll just start with one and then we can just duplicate it. Rames, you're still out of battles. Yeah, Rames, I think the only way we can bring you back to battles is if we flush the doubloons. So, I don't know, it's up to the stream. What about OBS flashing? I hope it didn't crash. Man, my YouTube is still dying. My audio driver is dead. It might be my fault for not restarting the computer last night after we streamed for so long. Oh well, no music, no music. Damage ball, no, 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 no. If that's the only way to do it, I don't know. Rames can't battle. Rames is for some reason just excluded from battles. Where is our Visual Studio? Man, I might have to go into our cooldown sketch early because Visual Studio and Unity is falling apart today. Alright, so let's get our heart icon. So heart icon is very simple. It's going to animate the hearts fading in, fading out, and it's going to change the colors of the hearts based on the player. Whoa, Steeman, $5 again. Steeman, thank you so much. Steeman, you are the best. You're the best, Steeman. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That means so much, man. All the money that gets donated to the stream goes towards keeping me alive and making the stream even better. So thank you so much, Steeman. You got your name right there. Awesome. Latest donation by Steeman. You're the best, man. You are the best. Heart icon. Load up Visual Studio again. Pooh Bear, Skyhook pisser just fell off. Oh man, that's a bad omen. I think that means that I'm about to like die or something. Imagine I just like passed out on stream. What would you guys do? Would somebody call the cops? I hope so. I hope so. Alright, here we go. Heart icon. Also using Unity UI. Using Unity Engine. .ui. Rames, can you buy the game on Steam? Yes, you can do that. There's a link. You can... Steeman, you're out of here. Steeman, thanks so much. Thank you, Toja. Sneeman, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. For everything. Sneeman, you're the best. I will see you next time. Rames, you can. Thank you so much if you're going to buy the game on Steam. Don't flush out your well-earned doubloons. What I'll probably do, guys, if I do have to flush the doubloons, I'll back them up, and then I'll give everybody their doubloons back one by one, and hopefully that fixes Rames' problem. So we'll worry about that in a future stream. Vonnie Cakes, 1,200 doubloons. Here we go. Public image, my icon, and public outline, my outline. I always wonder, is it a good naming convention to do like my outline and blah blah blah? Is it probably better to just do this, like just a lowercase thing? What's happening? Outline. My outline always seems kind of goofy. Like my variable always seems a little bit goofy. Damage Ball is the top 10 richest sky pimp. Or are you a sky hooker, Damage Ball? Are you a sky hooker? So we'll do public void, set color. This takes in some color. And actually, we don't have to make these public at all. Oh, guys, I learned this really cool thing. I think it's called the reset method. Let's see if this works. Icon equals get component. Get component. Whoa. Get component image. I saw this on Unity tips yesterday. Let's see if this actually works. So if I remove this heart icon, let's see if it compiles. Pooh Bear Boy, where do you put the bets code? You just type battle and then, actually I can make this, the beta code. I'll show you guys. I'll pull up Steam real quick. So here's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to dock this because for some reason I can't switch between the two right now. All I can do is blame Unity 5. But we'll just do this on awake. icon. Let me show you guys how to get into the beta. So if you guys don't already know, every day when I'm done with the stream, I push whatever I'm working on to the private beta on Steam, right? So that means if you get to the private beta branch on Steam, you have exclusive access to the version of the game that I play, which is usually weeks ahead of what's going to be out on Steam. So for example, all this Twitch stuff, all this new implementation stuff, it's actually not out yet. And it's not going to be out till later this week. So if you guys own Skyhook, you can go over to your Steam library. You can right-click on Skyhook. It'll bring up the properties window. You can go to the betas tab, and here you could, if you're going to say none, it's going to say none on yours. You can enter the passcode fish out of water. If you ever forget it, just type in I think private beta in the chat. And when you enter that code, Steam will allow you access to switch over to the private beta branch, which gets updated every time I update the game on my branch. So you guys can play the super buggy, super secret, updated version of Skyhook. So when new characters are being tested, stuff like that, you have exclusive access to it. And not everyone knows about that password, so keep it a secret. Use it on chat. If it gets out, I'm gonna have to change the password. So it'll be just for us on stream to play our version of the game. All right, here we go. So we got this stuff. Set color. So we're gonna do icon dot color equals some color, and outline dot color, effect color equals white. Not black, white. So that's going to set the color for each heart icon. Should be good to go. We also want to do like a fade in, fade out, so we're going to use do tween. I think this is private beta, guys. There we go. Greenish liquid, I just told 113 people, not that secret. Yeah. Well, it's top secret for people who watch the stream, right? If you watch the stream, then you can hang out in the private beta. If you don't watch the stream, then you'll never know. So if you watch this on YouTube or you watch it later, then I totally think you deserve the ability to come hang out on the exclusive private beta. But if you don't watch the stream, you'll never know. You'll never know. Rain's downloading now. Sweet. Thanks so much. You know what we could do? Greenish, to make it even more exclusive? We can change the password like every month and only talk about it on stream. Broly, your character was walking against his own weapon. That's the worst. That happens to me all the time. Sometimes I'll try to detect hit colliders around the player and realize I'm detecting the player himself or his own hook or something like that. Yeah, it's the worst when you just overlook that stuff. Totally. So set colors, public void on lose heart, and we're going to use do tween here. So I use do tween to do all my tweening. Do tween is an amazing tool. So I'm going to do using tweening. So on lose heart, we're going to do transform, do kill, and we're going to do icon dot fade out, do fade. We're going to fade to 0/0.2 seconds. We're also going to, we need to do icon.doKill too. Icon.doKill. So do tween is awesome tweeting libraries. You guys will see how it works after this. So then we're going to do transform dot do move y. Oh, that's not y at all. Do move y, and we'll say, let's see, float y drop equals, and let's look at this in the editor. So I want the heart to kind of just sink down. So we're going to go to this heart. I should name all these hearts, not border. This is a heart. Recompiling. This is a heart. So a heart, we're going to make it go sink like that. Oh, we can't because it's a thing. So we can move the pivot, So we can change the pivot and move it down. I probably want to move it down by about 10. Can do tween change the pivot? Probably. So we can say transform, or we can say rect transform. Let's try get component, rect transform. So you never want to do this. We never want to just get component every frame. We're going to do this just to test it right now. Rect transform dot pivot dot x dot do. We can just animate the values. All right, we're going to leave that out for now. We're just going to move ahead. We are watching the game industry make you want it more and more. Feels bad, man. Really should find someone to make a game with. Jacksack, you don't need anyone to make a game with. You just need to. Just need to do it, man. I make this game all by myself. You can do it too. You can do it too. The dragon, is the audio too low? You're using a speaker so you can hear me? Alright, so we got fading out, on, lose heart. We'll fade it out. Blah, blah, blah. That's the heart icon. Cool. So now here in the, that's the Twitch manager. We don't want that. Let's go back to Unity. We're going to go back to our heart, our player hearts class. Oh, it's weird. It's low for you, Dragon87. I'm sorry. I have my mic set up all the way. I'm not sure if I could push it even more. I'll try to talk a little bit louder. I'll try to talk a little bit louder for you, Dragon87. So we're going to make this an array of heart icons. Heart objects, heart icon. Cool. And then we're going to make a method here, public void setup. Watch these videos and just do it. Yes, Daniel, thank you for the resources. I wonder where you sent people to. That is, yeah. Oh, extra credits. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, extra credits. Hell yeah. That is the place to go. That is surely the place to go. Public setup, player. What do we need for the hearts? We don't need the player controller. We just need the player info. I'm pretty sure. So we can do for int I equals 0. I is less than heart objects. So I have a problem with my less than key, it looks like. I'm going to have to get a new keyboard soon. It is getting sticky. Jax, I could keep trying to learn, but always just seem too flustered with making the game actually work. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough in the beginning, man. It's very, very tough in the beginning, but you can do it. You can get through it. Just keep pushing. Don't worry that it's going to be shitty and sucky at first. It's going to be sucky at first, but it's going to get better. And at one point, it's going to be something you're proud of. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. It will get better. Heart objects. We can refactor this to be hearts. Hearts I dot set color is info dot color, info dot current skin dot color, skin color. So that's the color. Oh, actually no, we need to send the player controller. You know why? The hearts are actually colored for the teams. So we're calling this player. So we're going to pass in player dot team color because I want the hearts to match the color of your team. Jacksack, are you like a programmer first, artist first? What do you consider yourself, my friend? Heart set color, player team color. So we set the hearts up. Cool. We need to set the icon now. So we have heart icon. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. Let's do that. And then here we need to call this the player icon. The reason I'm making this all classes is because we're going to use these all over the place. There's other places we're going to use player icons as well. So I'm making them into separate classes now so we can reuse them later. So using Unity Engine. Looks like my autocomplete is all gone. So public image, I don't even need to do that. We'll just do image icon on awake. We'll just do icon equals get component. Get component image. We're going to restart Visual Studio because apparently my autocomplete's gone. Check, you recommend setting some goals. Yeah, great idea. Rames, you got to get used to those controls. Yeah, for sure. Ultra Uber, you got to go. Oh, man. Yeah, Monday to Friday at 2 p.m. Ultra Uber. Please come back. Thank you so much for coming through today. Appreciate it. Thank you for the kind words. See you next time, Ultra Uber. Have a good day. Take care. Yeah, definitely, like, Check's totally right. Like, find a friends who want to make games. Local communities are great. Like, I live in Buffalo, where it has a huge game dev community. Awesome guys, all making games, very motivating. And hang out on Twitch. Like, all these people on Twitch are making games is super motivating for me as well. Especially seeing some of the stuff you guys work on in chat. It's insane. All these procedural games, crazy art. It motivates me to want to make new stuff. So we'll do void, public void, set up. So I'm looking at it. So as I'm typing these things out, this class look like it's starting to become very similar to this class. Not this class. This class. So we could probably end up making these all derived from the same base class. So we need to get the icon, which I totally forgot how we did. So I have to go with the old heart controller. and look at where we get the icons. This is the old Heart controller, which is, a whole bunch of codes to do a whole bunch of things. So we're using our own now, our new one now to do it way better and to tween it and all kinds of stuff. So we have more control over it as well. So heart icons here, setup colors, delete heart. So let's look for the icon. So here's the flag icon. So that's what gets set. We're calling that player icon. So, oh my goodness, it just plays an animation state. Yep, yikes, yikes. Cool. All right, so we're going to have to do that ourselves. So we'll do player hearts, setup player controller. We'll pass in sprite player icon. All right. What's going on with you guys in chat, man? How is it going? It is 3:40. We're going to do another Twitch match soon once we get some of this stuff plugged in. So we're going to pass in a player icon here, and we're going to set that. So we'll do our player icon. It takes a player controller, and it takes a sprite new icon. So we have our heart icon and our player icon. So we don't need that anymore. So we're going to say icon dot setup. We're going to pass in the player and the player icon. There we go. Shabba boop. Player icon is going to set the colors. It's going to do the same things as the heart. So you can see this all starting to kind of do the same thing. So that's what we'll be able to probably just pass in the color, honestly, on the icon. We don't really need to pass it to player because it doesn't care about all that stuff. Right? Trying to think. There's a couple of ways we could do this. We can give do you have to allow Steam to have the beta synced with that passcode in order to play on Twitch? Do you have to allow Steam to have the beta synced with that passcode in order to play on Twitch? I'm not sure what you mean. Who's that? Arctic. Arctic, you could play on Twitch. Right now, you won't be able to play with your own channel. You can try, but it might screw up and go to my channel. So that's not quite set up yet, but you can play on my channel. So if you switch over to private beta, you don't have to. When you're playing, when your name is in the game, it's actually just an AI playing for you. So you could just hang out in the chat to play in the Twitch version. But if you want to stream the game yourself on your Twitch channel, we'll be getting that ready soon. That's the goal by the end of this week. By the end of this week, you guys should be able to take the game and play it on your own Twitch channel. So we're going to be working on that this whole week. So it's very soon, you guys will be able to use it on your own Twitch channels as well. So public void setup. Player controller. So there's a couple things we could do, and I want you guys' advice on it. Basically, I need to send this icon what sprite it's going to use, right? It's going to use Finn sprite, Anara sprite, Runa sprite, Jade sprite. So I could pass that in from the class that's setting it up, or I can have the icon decide itself. Now the benefit to the icon deciding itself is that, yeah, we should do it that way, because then that way we could drop the icon anywhere we want, and it'll figure it out itself, right? So yeah, we'll do that. Heart icon, get rid of that again. Just going back and forth here. So let's do that. So we'll do icon.color equals player.teamColor. And then we'll do icon.sprite equals get player flag sprite. And we'll pass in player.character ID. This method doesn't exist. Whoops. So we'll do void get player flag sprite. Needs a character, and that's the char ID. Now this is probably going to be on some overarching library, so what's up here? This needs to return a sprite. So what we can do is we actually have the player creator, I believe. It's probably the best place to put it. Variants, world library, treasure library, spawn manager, decal, where's the player creator? It's over here, yeah. So the player creator holds all the libraries for all the players. So what we can do is create a public sprite, call this player icons, player flag icons, and here we'll grab this method that we were just writing in player icon, and we're going to put it in the player creator. Shoop. Wild Paradox, you worry about best practices. Watching the stream helps you learn that whatever works is usually okay. So the interesting Wild Paradox is like, yeah, whatever works is totally okay. Like you can get your game running. Like the way I try to work is I don't spend too much time like optimizing and breaking stuff up really early. My first goal is to get it working in the game, get it playing, so I could find out if it worked in the first place. I could very well be on the wrong track. I could spend 1 week writing really nice inheritance for the Griffin class and find out Griffins don't even fit for the game. So my first goal is writing a very, very decent to shitty Griffin implementation, making sure it works top to bottom, putting it into the game, playtesting it. If it does work, if it's going to become a permanent part of the game, then I'll dedicate time to refactoring it, breaking it up. So like the first few months that there was a Griffin in the game, the Griffins was one hard-coded mount class, or one hard-coded class, and I couldn't have other mounts in the game. Once I realized Griffin was freaking awesome and I wanted to add a dragon to the game, I separated it out into a mount-based class, which then I could have other classes for. Yeah, if a real programmer looks at the code, you'll definitely have a heart attack. So I apologize to real programmers hanging out who doesn't like the code. But my goal simply at the end of the day is to get the game working into you guys' hands. So sometimes that means doing some dirty stuff. But the thing is, what does happen though, if you go along that path for too long, if you get too dirty and too just like doing stuff here and there and making your code all over the place, which is kind of what's happening to me, having worked on this game for so long, is you start paying the price. You start racking up what my friend calls technical debt. So my friend doesn't call it, that's like the term for it. And so over time, it gets really hard to change something. Like right now, we're remaking the hearts, because right now it's really hard for me to change how that heart HUD works, because I made it so hard-coded that it's not very modular, so I can't just change little pieces of it here and there. So now we're trying to rewrite it. Quasi TV, do I know hardly difficult? No, Swedish, I don't know. What is hardly difficult? Is that like a book or a Twitcher? Yeah, you don't stick to best practices to optimize things. You do it to make extending functionality way easier. Exactly. So as soon as I know something's going to be in the game, then I try to take the time to then to extend it and make it a little bit better. So it's just always kind of going in that cycle. Because what I found is when I spend too much time optimizing it, I get really disappointed when I find out that thing doesn't even fit in the game in the first place. So that's just my mentality. I could be wrong. It's all good though. The ironic thing is, at the end of the day, your player is never going to see the code. They'll see the bugs, and sometimes the bugs will be because of your bad code. But the players will never know how beautiful my inheritance is. All they'll know is that the Griffin is stupid or the Griffin is awesome. Hardly Difficult is a streamer. No, I don't know him. I'll have to check out that channel. Let me write that down. Check out Hardly Difficult on Twitch. All right, here we go. Get player flag sprite. So right now we're just going to, if char ID is greater than or equal to, what do we call this? We call this player flag icons. Player flag icons. What? Am I in the wrong class? Oops. I shouldn't just scroll down to the bottom. I should make, oh shit. I should make this its own class. I think ReSharper has a shortcut for that, right? For player skin? I should do that later. Let's just put this over here. Over here. So get player flag sprites returns player flag icons dot length. So if it's greater than the length, return null. Otherwise, we're just going to return this dot. We got to cast this enum to an int because we're going to use the enum of the character. Drumple, welcome to the crew, Drumple. Cheesy, cheese. This is C#. Yes, sir. This is C# indeed. This is all of the C#. Otherwise, we're going to return that. So if it's greater than the length, or if it's less than or equal to 0, or less than 0, I mean. Simple calculator with C#. Hey, man, a simple calculator is enough to get started in a game.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
It's just enough. Jeez. Just do it, man. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. But yeah, if you can make a calculator, you can make a game. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. All right. Else return this stuff. Why you error? Unexpected token. If int character. Oops. There we go. Else. Don't need all the brackets. Return. There we go. Get player flag sprite. Cool. It's a public thing. It'll do a thing and it'll do a thing. So this will be player creator instance. You guys will find that if you watch my code for enough, I'm a big fan of singletons because I have a lot of like single library stuff in the game. Toja, welcome to the crew. Player creator gets flag sprite. Cool, and set up the flag sprites. So here's our player creator. Now we have, it's going to compile and it's going to drop us an array. Did I not make it public? There it is. There are flag icons. So let's find them. So flag is there. So data manager. So we've got in order, Anara is 0, Finn is 1, Runa is 3, Jade is 4, Runa is 2, Jade is 3, and Grimlock is 4. If you guys are new to the game, you may not have seen Grimlock before. Told you, did you join again? No, I don't know why. I don't know why Pooh Bear said that. I think he was just kidding. When you were younger, Komosas, when you were younger, you played Ultima Online. Ultima Online, awesome. Got a little bit into C Sharp, sweet. You never learned programming. Always time, always time. Programming a calculator was your first assignment? That's pretty cool. I don't think I ever had to do that. I think my first ever programming assignment was like Hello World, I guess. But my first real assignment was making Pac-Man. That was a lot of fun. Dude, but you started making a calculator 5 years ago when you began to learn to code. You're still improving your calculator every day. I like it. I like it. Jelly Dino, what's up, Jelly Dino? Welcome back. Welcome back. How's it going, Jelly Dino? All right, so let's save this. Save the prefab. So we have all the icons there now. Here's our heart HUD. Save this prefab. So this needs to know its hearts. So here is the icon. Oh shit. There we go. Icon goes there. Hearts. I'm just gonna hard code it right now. We could just have it get this folder and then get all the stuff from inside the folder. Next. What the F? Oh, it doesn't have it. So I'm gonna delete these. Someone just joined the crew. DevNoob. DevNoob, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. 2, 3, 5. So I'm gonna hard code these right now just to make sure everything is working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one of the big downsides to Unity is it makes cheating really easy, right? Because I could just totally cheat this right now. Regathian, my first assignment was to make a calculator. I made a Mega Man clone instead and got an A. Regathian, that is awesome. That is awesome. Pooper Boy, the Quasibot is going crazy. Nah, man, Quasibot's all good. He's ready for this. He's prepared. He's been preparing for this his whole life. Quasibot is ready. It can handle all the follows. He can handle all the follows. Player hearts gonna get set up. Cool, so we can delete that, and we can save this prefab, and we can delete that. So now we can go into the Hearts HUD.
Did somebody say fish?
3op, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, 3op. You are watching Skyhook Game Development, a game where you fight with grappling hooks. Out now on Steam. I just searched 3op on ReSharper instead of searching for Heart Manager or whatever. Heart HUD Manager. So here's where we create our hearts. We set up the hearts, we spawn them in, we attach them to our folder, which is just this game object. We scale them to 1. So now we're going to do player heart equals new hearts. This should be singular, so let's refactor that. It's going to be new heart. Actually, refactor that to, oh shoot, not what I wanted to do. Let's refactor this to heart transform, so it's more clear. Heart transform.get component, and then we can do player heart. All right, so we got our heart, and then we can do heart.setup, and we can just pass it in this player var. Not var, this player. So we're iterating over all the players who are currently in the game. We're passing each one into the heart, and we need to pass in the icon, which we don't need anymore. Wait, player hearts. Did I do this wrong? Player hearts, player icon doesn't need this player icon. There we go. Setup. Cool. And let's see if that works. Jelly Dino started making a Donald Trump horror game. Oh my goodness. Pooh Bear Boy, attack is Daniel's attack. Daniel's command, not ours. Ours is battle. Ours is battle, good sir. All right, let's see if our heart stuff works, guys. Let's see if our heart stuff works. Thank you to everybody who's hanging out this long, watching us work on some Skyhook. No reference exception, the best kind of exception. And remember, guys, very soon we're going to do our cooldown sketch, which is when I draw whatever crazy idea you guys come up with on stream. Outline equals get component outline, heart icon. Oh, did I get this wrong? Heart icon should have an outline. Oh, am I using nicer outline? Shoot. Player heart. So here are the hearts. They're using nicer outline. Whoopsie daisies. Whoopsie blazies. nicer outline, which is a cool little extension that someone gave me. Pooh Bear, you used to Daniels? What? You already used a Daniels thing? Jamaica Tony, the command is treasures, but I should also make it doubloons. Let's do that. Let's add that to the commands, actually. So we'll do currency, treasure, so I could just make doubloons do the same thing. So we'll make a new command, we'll say exclamation doubloons. This is Ankbot, guys. This is what I use to do all the commands and stuff in my bot. So it'll pass that. Let's see if that works. So now if I type doubloons, oh man, it didn't even do a thing. Didn't even do a thing. Doubloons, user, hours, currency name, points. Shucks. Thought it would work. Thought it would work. Oh, somebody's name showing up is all black. That's crazy. Oh, it did work. Quasi TV, hours 10, doubloons 13:45. Cool. So that works. All right, all right, all right. Let's see if we got this working. Nicer outline, blah, blah, blah. Outline, icon, outline. Thanks for the link, Toja. Thanks for the link. Toja, that is actually a really good thing. Let's make that a, I'm going to add that to the stream. Jelly Dino, Toja is actually totally cool if Toja puts links in chat. As a matter of fact, Toja is about to become a moderator. There you are, Toja. Toja has evolved to Toja Prime. Toja is now moderator of the channel. Toja, you are awesome. Thank you so much for all your help. Toja, you, where's that message you put? Yes, Ankbot can be found here. I'm going to make that a command for the channel as well. Damn, promotion. Level up. Where is Ankbot? There it is. Toja's like, whoa, what did I miss? What the hell just happened? Ankbot. Quasibot is made using Ankbot. You can find it here. Such claps, such claps. Yeah, Toja, you help out so much answering questions and stuff, man, so I appreciate it very much. Alright guys, we're almost there. Check it out, check it out. The icons are working. They're the right color. Finn's icon is Finn and it's blue. Runa's icon is Runa and it's yellow. Toja, hearing your icon while you sit around drawing pictures. FNT Mental, what coffee do I like? I drink Trader Joe's. Wait, is it Trader Joe's? No, I drink, what's that company? It's a northern thing. It's a company here. Everyone drinks coffee from it. Crap. It's super popular. It's from Canada. It's a Canadian company. It's not Trader Joe's. It's something with a T, though. Something with a T. I drink K-Cups from that company. I buy them on Amazon. I drink so much coffee, man. I have an Amazon subscription to K-Cups. I forget what it's called, though. I'll check it when I get more coffee later. Toja just went corporate. Stick it to the man. All right, we got the icons showing up and the hearts showing up. This is great, guys. Now we got to get the text hiding and stuff like that. So this is sweet. Let's go back to Visual Studio. So our player hearts also needs public player heart text. Call it heart text. That'll be a new class we're going to make. Tim Hortons, yes! Greenish liquid, thank you very much. Tim Hortons. I drink Tim Hortons coffee. I wouldn't say it's my preferred or favorite. I'm not super picky about stuff. I'll drink anything. If my Tim Hortons coffee runs out, I'll drink Wabum's coffee. Like, whatever it is I have, I'll eat anything. I am not a very picky person. I guess actually I am a very picky person, but I'm not very picky when it comes to food. Player hearts is going to be here. Its class is going to be called player heart text. So player heart text, that's going to go here. And now that should recompile just fine. Yes, Toja, Tim Hortons coffee. Thank you for this. Remember it. I'm not Canadian, Czech. I'm not Canadian. And I forgot the name Tim Hortons. No, I'm not Canadian, but I live in Buffalo, which is very close to Canada. And there's a lot of Tim Hortons around here. There's one like walking distance from my house. I'm not Canadian though. I am not American either, I guess. I am just a quasi. I am just such quasi. So player heart, apply. Yubon coffee. Is Yubon coffee really good, Toja? You recommend that? So player heart text. Back to Visual Studio. So we'll do public void set value int new value. This is going to have a string, public string, value title, public string, I mean public text. We're going to need Unity UI again. So you guys notice we took that other class, which was like 500-600 lines of code, which is not that much, but still wasn't very easy to break apart, and we broke it into like 4 or 5 different classes. Green Liquid, I legally am an alien. Yes, I am. I can show you guys my alien ID card. I am an alien in the United States. Canadians do love Tim Hortons. Yep. Pooh, where's Buffalo? Buffalo is northern New York. Or western New York. It's next to Niagara Falls in western New York. Set value. So we're going to do value title dot text equals new value. So we can do that. Set value, player heart. We're gonna hide it. Yeah, we'll do like effects and stuff later on. So we're gonna start by saying player hearts void setup int player ID int max hearts, or let's call it max value. So int current value. And so we can say current value equals max value. We'll set the colors, and if I is greater than current value, or let's say max value. Oops, I did this the wrong way. Current value, max value. We'll do this. So I want private int max value as well. Yeah. What's going on, guys? What am I missing? What am I missing? Getting some toes together. Snow Central. Yeah, Snow Central for sure. Although it hasn't been snowing that much this year. I brought the sunshine with me to Buffalo. If I is greater than max value, minus 1, right? So if 0, which is 1, 2, if I is, so if we're on, is there index 1, we only have 1 life. So if it's greater than or equal to max value, yeah. Wait for Saturday. What's happening on Saturday? Arctic, are you from Buffalo? Is there going to be snow on Saturday? All right, here we go, guys. If I is greater than max 1, then we're going to hide this heart. So we can just say, for now, we'll just do hearts, heart icon, public void, disable. And for now, we'll just hide the game object. So we'll do game object.setActive, false false. So we'll do disable. So if it's greater than the max value, we'll do hearts I.disable. So that'll hide any hearts that are past our value. So if we have 3 lives, 5 lives, etc. We'll set it up, and then by default, so we'll say if max value equals max value, and then current value equals max value. So we'll say if max value is less than or equal to 5, we'll do void show overflow and void hide overflow. Basically, if we have more than 5 hearts, it's going to show text. If you have less than 5 hearts, it's not going to show text. So max value is greater than or equal to 5. Then we're going to say hide overflow. Show overflow is going to take this. HeartText.enable and heartText.disable. Player heartText is not compiling just yet because we have a compiler error. What's up, guys? How much C# experience do I have? Just enough to make this game. I did a little bit of web dev before I started this, but really not that much. So I literally learned everything I do from the intranets. Which is why sometimes I may not do things the best way, which is great because as I stream, I keep learning more and more stuff from you guys hanging out in chat. So it's like a two-way street, So game object, for now we're just going to do game object dot set active false. Arctic, you're in Ithaca. Cool, cool, cool. They're gonna get a foot of snow. Ah, man, Saturday's gonna be rough. Saturday's gonna be rough. Let's see. Our setup method passes a player, but now it also wants a max value. So public void setup hearts. It needs int starting value. Starting value and setup hearts. Find all references. Here we can pass in max lives. Data manager.minstance.max lives. Yeah, Unity makes really good tutorials. Unity makes really good tutorials. HUD manager, setup hearts, cool, cool, cool. All right, let's see if we got this working. Let's make sure we called everything. Player heart. So if it's greater than equal, if it's less than or equal to 5, hide overflow. Else, show overflow. And then return. Because we're not going to do all this heart setup. Actually, no, we are. So never mind. So we're going to put this, we're going to do this stuff first. Set up all the hearts, set up the icon, show overflow, heart text.enable, and then we'll do player icon heart. We'll do this, hearts.disable. And these are not public or something. Player heart text. Is this not getting compiled? Arctic, where are the meetups in Buffalo? Check out Buffalo Game Space. Do I have a thing for them? No. Check out buffalogamespace.com. buffalogamespace.com. They have a calendar and all kinds of awesome stuff for all the meetups in the area. I go to Buffalo Game Space all the time, all the time. Regatta, you can save a bunch of time if you route the usage code first and then select the lines. Press Control period and extract any methods you need. Also make it easier to plan out the API as you're going. Xmaster, what am I programming? I am programming Skyhook, a game where you fight with grappling hooks that I will show you in a second. We'll do a Twitch match real quick. We are currently making the thing so you could see the hearts, kind of like seeing lives in Smash Bros. Regathian, you could save a bunch of time if you wrote the usage code first, and then select the lines and press Control period. Let's see what he means by that. Select the lines, Control period. I don't know what it does. Oh, and it extracts any methods. You're saying I could just do this and then do that? It doesn't do a thing. You're tricking me, man. You're tricking me. Toja, thank you for the info. Thank you for the info. Setup parts, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's make sure this has all of its prefab set, text stuff. All right. Save. Won't maximize. Actually, won't maximize. Let's try this out. All right. So right now our game is set to be a deathmatch with 5. Where's our debug variables? It's a deathmatch with 99 lives. So we're going to skip the overflow. Uh-oh, fire alarm. Heart controller, player hearts, enable, player text, hearts that disable, hide overflow. So right now we're going to do this and return. Now just like guys, I'm going to go see what's going on with that fire alarm. In the meantime, I will queue up the game. Dinner's ready, yeah right, greenish liquid. I'll queue up Twitch chat so you guys can start joining into the match. Hopefully I won't die by the time I get back. Here you go, guys. Type play in chat to join. I will be right back. I gotta get back to streaming. So the house is not burning down? All right, the house is officially not burning down. Who we got here? We got the Jelly, we got Solomaz, and we got Pooh Bear spawned in as characters in the game. If you guys haven't seen the game before, we are about to play a match. This is Skyhook. It is a game where you fight with grappling hooks, and we have added Twitch integration. Jelly Dino, finally in it, finally in it. Yes, yes, yes. We added Twitch integration, so you guys can spawn as bots in the game, and I can play against you. So here we go. Let me cancel that. I'm going to join with my gamepad. We got Jade, Runa, and Runa, so I'll come in as Anara, the teleporting ninja. So in this game, you use your grappling hook to swing around, you can dash in the air and on the ground, and you can do melee attacks to shank your friends. So I'm going to jump into a match. We'll do a 3 live death match. Begin. We have no idea if the hearts are going to work. We didn't even test it, but what could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? Let's do this. All right, the icons are there, but no hearts. We'll worry about that later. Let's just battle. Alright guys, you guys could vote for Cannon, Slow, and Mirror in chat to vote for what power-up gets activated. Here we go. Oh, Jelly Dino takes me out from above. That was a sweet shot. Mirror gets a vote. I'm going to head up here. Pooh Bear gets in the ship. So there are ships around. Whoa, a whole bunch of votes for every power-up right now. And remember, you guys aren't limited. There's not a limit of votes. You could vote as much as you want on as many power-ups as you want without messing up Twitch's 30-second delay. Alright, Cannons get the win. Cannons get the win. Oh, and Pooh Bear takes me out with his green grappling hook. Alright, here we go. Oh, Pooh Bear takes me out with a melee attack. I'm pretty sure I'm dead. I'm not respawning. And Solomaz for the win. Check this out, guys. Boom, treasure adds Solomaz. The game automatically sent Solomaz 1,000 doubloons from chat. Awesome. That part works, at least. That part works. GG, Solomaz. GG. Well done, well done, well done. Alright, here we go. Let's quit. Let's go back to fixing our hearts. Fixing our hearts. D-Surge, what's going on, D-Surge? Good to see you, good to see you. Open the test scene. Let's look at our hearts. What did we screw up in the code? So he said hide overflow. If I is greater than max value, delete it.
Fish?
I is greater than max value. T-Clamps, what's going on? How is it going? So what's funny is, so what we need to do is actually, we need to, how did I integrate this just working? Them or Ponchik. Them, what's going on, man? I use Twitch IRC, which I can't believe I haven't added a command for it yet. I use Twitch IRC on GitHub, and I'm going to add a command for it right now. Thanks so much, T-Clamps. Thanks so much. So do we have a command for Twitch IRC? I don't think so. Command T treasure Twitter. No, so let's do Twitch IRC. Oops, that's not it. Command. So I used Twitch, used this library to start his Twitch integration. There we go. Twitch IRC. So you guys can watch this channel grow as we hang out together. So Twitch IRC, I use this library. It's an open source little Twitch library that parses and receives chat from the IRC channel. And then I created my own thing, or it just receives chat, sorry. And then I created my own stuff to parse those strings and send commands, and then send commands back to the chat. Twitch IRC is sweet. It's super lightweight. It's super easy to use. And if you really want to catch up, why is Quasibot not a mod? That is a great question. I don't know. Has Quasibot, has he earned the right to be a mod? I don't really know. He's kind of a jerk. All right, Quasibot's a mod now. Good. Thanks for the heads up, Greenish Liquor. Thanks for the heads up. Yeah, to answer your question, Themra Ponchik. If you want to catch up on any of the stuff we've done so far with Twitch, you can watch it on my YouTube channel. And when I'm done with all of this, I'm going to try to make a nice open source library for anyone who wants to add Twitch integration to their game using Unity. Faux show. Why does this keep happening? Send message to chat. It's still printing stuff. Oh, send message is printing stuff. Oop-a-doop. Send message. Don't print anything, please. There we go. I was debugging that stuff earlier. So right now our hearts are being set to 0, so let's find out why. T-Clamps, what plans do I have for additional characters? So one of the characters, the 5th character, we've actually already finished on stream, so it's being set to 0. Okay, we'll look into that in a sec. We actually already finished the 5th character on stream a few weeks ago. I can pull him up for you real quick. The goal is to implement a little bit of a single player campaign, kind of like a challenge arcade. And if you can beat those, then you can unlock other characters. So here is the fifth playable character, if you guys haven't seen him before. This is Grimlock. He is the Crab Captain, or Crabton, better known on stream. Pukate, what's going on, Pukate? 75, yeah, man. It's going good, it's going good. Quasi TV is going well today. So this is Grimlock. Oh, I lost him. He is the Crab Captain. I have lost his animation. Let's close and reopen. Grimlock is going to be the fifth character in the game. Mr. means Mr. Oh, the Mr. Ponchik, the Mr. Ponchik. And by the way, you learn the Russian word Ponchik, which means donut. The Mr. Donut, awesome, awesome. Green is like with the crab tin, yes. Yes, he was given that name here on Twitch while I was working on him. Everyone couldn't help but just call him the crab tin all the time. It was hilarious. All right, here we are. We're getting 0 for our max lives, so let's see what happened here. We're setting up, find all references, player controller, setup hearts, starting value. Wait, what have I done? Heart manager, setup, here it is. Set up hearts, starting value. It's probably never getting past. Data manager, max lives. Okay, max lives is at 0, which is wild. I wonder where max lives are coming from now. I think I have a better idea. Set up hearts, starting value, nope, and nope, and nope, and nope. So here we're going to do max value equals player dot max lives. So we're going to have to make new code for this. So let's see, void set starting values. Actually, I'll do that later. We're gonna have to set up different code for this because these values are gonna change based on what game mode you're in.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
I like coding one. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. I like coding one. Hello, I like coding one. What's going on, man? What's going on? I like coding two. I like coding too. Pukate, you just finished 8 episodes of IO No Exorcist. Awesome. You'll think you'll not sleep very well, or you will sleep very well. Still getting 0. Okay, maybe we're doing this too early. Let's see. Let's go to our player controller. Player 1. Player 1 here. Player 1 is player, and their lives are somewhere here. Health is 0. Max lives is 3. So we might just be doing all this too early. So this all happens on the match countdown. So it spawns our players. Huh. Hold on a second. Did we make a whoopsie doos? I like coding. You're really bored. Are you really bored by the channel I like coding? Should we make it more interesting? Do we set the values wrong here? So max value equals players that lacks lives. Current value equals fools. What fools we are. What fools we are. What fool I am, really. We're doing it here. We're doing it in the wrong order. So I gotta set max values first, then use it. Right? Here we go. Narcos Zombies, what am I working on? We are refactoring the heart HUD. So if you remember yesterday, the heart thing that shows how many hearts and lives you have left wasn't scaling well with the new UI and the new camera. So we are working on doing that, and it looks like we got it done. So there's 3 hearts for 3 lives, and if I kill Finn, nothing will happen because it doesn't know how to lose hearts yet. There we go. Kill him. No hearts lost. But at least the hearts are showing up now. Don't need this anymore. Is clear on play not on? It is clear. Weird. Okay. And, oh man, I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to sneeze. Pukate, you're going to go on 9gag for the rest of the night. I don't know what that is, but sounds good. Wild Paradox, you lost all your doubloons. Oh man, Wild Paradox, that sucks, man. Where are you at? You really at 0? So player hearts. So we're going to do public void increment hearts. Actually, we won't even call it, we'll just call it increment. And public void decrement. And what this will do is it will set the current value equals max value. So decrement will do current value minus minus, and increment will do current value. Actually, we'll do current value equals mathf.clamp current value plus plus, and it's going to go between 0 and max value. Same thing here. For decrement, we'll do minus minus. Poor boy, you're putting in 300 in the next battle. Sick. Sick. I like coding. My game is a 2D platformer where you fight with grappling hooks. We'll do a quick test match soon because, guys, it's almost time for today's cooldown sketch. It's almost that time. My favorite time of day. Your favorite time of day. All our favorite times of days is. Here we go. Current value, increment, decrement. And then we can do we can iterate over all the hearts, or we can do just hearts.I. Yeah, we can do this. Let's just do this for now. We'll go over all the hearts and we'll disable the ones that are too high. What we could really do is just go into the array and disable that one. We could do this. No, that's going to be a problem. So we can do if current value is less than or equal to 5, then hearts current value, hearts current value, disable. We're not going to deal with overflows just yet, so increment is same thing. If less than or equal to 5, then hearts.enable, which is not even a method. I think we have to just do hearts.game. I don't actually know, can a game object that's disabled enable itself? Is that a thing? I'm curious. I like going the trail looks cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Yeah. I'll show you the game in just a sec. All this stuff. So we can just make this a bool. Public bool is text mode. And we'll say if max value is greater than or equal to 5, otherwise is text, show overflow. So is text mode equals true. Then we can just do it here. If not is text mode. If not is text mode. All right, and we have to call these values. So player controller. So it calls decrement somewhere. Nope. Hearts control. So here it's updates hearts. So player control, update hearts, add to score. All right. So we're going to switch this over to be hearts control, update hearts. Wildpatter should be able to. Only certain parts of the script stop running. Gotcha. Cool. Narcos, you were trying to modify the stencil shader that I passed you in order to do a night cycle in your game. Awesome. You ended up not liking it. Okay, that's cool. You ended up doing it with the diffuse shader. Cool, man. Do you have a GIF or a JPEG or something of it so we could see? So we could see. Do you have a preview so we could see it? Heart controller equals heart control, public heart controls. So we could just do. I'm just gonna make this like public void update hearts for player. And we'll pass in a player ID. We'll pass in int player ID, and what was the other one? Int new value. So I'm going to change all the stuff to use this. Is this a singleton? Yes. So we're just going to call this instead. So the player is no longer going to have a mention of hearts control. And here we're just going to do hearts manager, HUD manager.minstance, update hearts, and I'll just change that method to make my life easier. We're going to pass in our player ID and our new score. So we can just do this again here. And one more error on this class, and that is there. So we can do same thing. We'll just do that. Update hearts 1. So here, add to treasure score. We'll do the same thing. Update hearts. I think we have control dot player ID and value. We could just probably call that update score. Probably makes the most sense. 1, and here is the P. So P dot player ID. Okay, let's recompile. What's up, guys? I like coding. You do Python coding. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, we're featured. Yeah, thanks. That's been awesome. Getting featured in creative has been super awesome today. But yeah, Python is cool, man. I made my first game in Python. This is C#. Yeah, I'm coding in C# right now. Narcos, you're on mobile, not at home. Cool. Looking forward to it, man. Looking forward to it. All right, everything compiled okay. So that means we refactored hearts okay. It's not actually doing anything yet. So Heart HUD Manager, it's going to get a player ID. We actually need a list of all these hearts we've been creating. So we can create a dictionary. So we got generic over here, so we'll just say dictionary. And we'll make the key the integer of the player ID and the value a player heart. Player hearts. Call this all hearts. New dictionary. So here we're going to use this dictionary. So every time we create one, we're going to say all hearts dot add, and we're going to add the player ID. So player dot player ID and the heart. We have this dictionary now. So when we get update hearts, we can say if all hearts dot contains key player ID. Then we can say all hearts at player ID. So we can find the heart with that player's ID, and we can say update. I think we have like increment and decrement, right? So let's make a better method. Where'd it go? Player hearts. So we'll say public void update score int value. So I'm gonna refactor all that heart stuff to say score soon. So we'll say update value new value. Hello, hello, Mr. Kapuka. How's it going? Welcome back, Mr. Kapuka. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. How's it going? Update score, blah, blah, blah. And so we can say if value is greater than 0, increment. Oops, oops, oops. Else if value is less than 0, decrement. Okay, we'll update the score, and then hopefully that'll do a thing. So let's see if it works. Recompiling in Unity, waiting for all our scripts to show up. All right, guys, here we go. If this works, we could do a new battle. We could do another Twitch match. So game starts, hearts show. I'm gonna run over here and kill this Viking. Meh. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Because we're not actually doing anything. Decrement, current value equals mathf.clamp current minus minus between 0 and max value. If not is text mode, show overflow, hide overflow. Is text mode equals false. Hearts at current value, disable. Let's see, increment, decrement. What does this actually do? This does turn off the game object, right? Yeah. This turns it off. What have we done wrong? I don't know why those are red. Those don't need to be red. So max value equals player lives. Current value equals max value. So we minus between 0 and max value. And then we hide. I think we're doing it too soon. We want to hide the current one and then minus. No, for adding we don't. Update score is called by this. Update hearts is called So on player, when the player is killed, what happens? Lives left should be -1. Update score, update hearts, -1. We're going to refactor this and update score, because your hearts are kind of your score. Save that in all these classes. I told you, thanks for the info, man. Thanks for the info. Update score -1, add to treasure score 1. Here is adding to treasure score. Here is update score for treasures also. Here is update kill match score. So add to score is 1 and 1. Alright, I think that was it. It was just it should have been a -1 instead of 1. Told you, a new game idea. Fight in a Skyhook factory? What's a Skyhook factory? Oh, a place that churns out Skyhooks? That's crazy. That's a really cool idea. I've really wanted to make like a steampunk level one day that has like gears and factories and all that kind of stuff. Die. Die. Ah, nothing's happening. Why you hate me, game? Let's see. Heart HUD. Could be that our dictionary is not getting set up right. Heart HUD manager. Let's go inside. Player hearts. Should have made those values public, so I can debug them better. Player hearts, public, current value, and max value, and text mode. Okay. So it could be that we're not setting up our our dictionary.
Fish?
So let's see.
Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Angry Facing, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Angry Facing. Heart container, create pool, blah blah blah. All hearts dot add player ID and heart. Player hearts. Int player ID. Is it not getting added to our dictionary? If all heart, let's see. Print updating score for player ID. And then we want to go to game controller, invincible time. Oh wait, no. Player controller, let's see, kill this player. I want to make up a debug key for this. Shoot. Death loop. Alright, we'll just do it the hard way. Angry Phasing, thanks so much for the follow. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're working on Skyhook, a game where you fight with grappling hooks, out now on Steam Early Access. And we're going to do a Twitch match real quick.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, the Guardian of Hades, welcome. Oh, the Guard of Hades, even creepier. Welcome, Guard of Hades. Updating score for 3. So that did trigger. And so maybe this isn't. If value is greater than 0. Increment if value is less than 0. Decrement. If not is text mode. Hearts at current value, disable. Did I stop playing the game? Hope I didn't. Okay, good. Heart HUD. Let's go to player 3's HUD. If it's not text mode, current value is 3, max value is 3. So it's not getting decremented at all. Am I doing clamping wrong? Mathf.clamp between 0 and max. And max is 3. Oh, it's because, shit, it's because I'm doing this? Because isn't that changing the value in line? I'm not sure. No, that would be fine. That's not what's causing it at all. I died. Alright guys, it is 4:35. It is about time for our cooldown sketch. We're going to do a quick Twitch match, so get ready to type play into chat so we can do our Twitch match and jump into our cooldown sketch. If you guys are hanging out on the channel for the first time, toward the end of the stream, I do a cooldown sketch where I draw crazy ideas from you guys in chat. Okay, so it is getting triggered, but it's not getting fired, so whatever. We're going to jump into the main menu. We're going to do another Twitch match here. Ah, too soon, Jelly Dino, too soon. If you guys haven't seen this before, this is Skyhook. It's a game where you fight with grappling hooks. We added some Steam integration, so check this out. I'm going to hit invite. You guys can start typing play into chat right now. Now is the time. 30 seconds to go. Oh, we're gonna fix that double 30 seconds thing. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Type play into chat to get queued in for this match. 7 days. Oh man, so many people. Greenish Liquid, Cecil, Sismando, Rodolfo. Hey Rodolfo, what's going on, man? All right, so many people. Vexstar, Damage Vol, Pooh Bear, Angry Facing, Jelly Dino. 12 people are in. Oh man, even more. Guardian of Hades, D-Monk 70's in. All right, and the people who got in is a Cecil, Rodolfo, and Greenish Liquid. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm gonna choose Finn. If you guys haven't seen the game before, this is a game where you fight with grappling hooks. This is Skyhook. I am going to jump into the game. We'll do a death match, 3 lives. We'll go over to Frostguard. Here we go. Here we go. You guys could vote for what power up we get. You could vote speed, mirror, or cannon in chat right now, and it'll decide which power up gets activated for all the players. Right now, they're bots named after people in chat. We've got Acisa, we got Greenish Liquid, and we've got Rodolfo. I'll take out Greenish Liquid, I'll take out Acisa, and I'll take out Oh, missed him. Oh, everybody gets turned into the blue ninja. Now I don't know which character I am. It's a little bit confusing. Oh, there I am, I died. Oh, Super Speed gets the boost. Oh, Super Speed gets 2 votes. Oh, and Speed for the win. Now everyone has double speed. Oh, yeah. I love the game with double speed. It's so much crazier. If you guys are wondering how you can play this game, you can play it right now. It's out on Steam Early Access. And if you watch the stream, you could get access to the private beta.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Big Baller, welcome to the crew. Thank you so much for the follow. Oh, I'm out of this match. It's all down to the bots. It is. Hey, look, the hearts are working. Or kind of working. They were almost working, guys. Sweet. And the winner was Rodolfo. Rodolfo gets 1,000 doubloons. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Easy win, Rodolfo. Easy win. Welcome back. Oh, check out this bug, guys. I got the winner trophy, even though Rodolfo won. That is weird. That is weird. Vonnie Kicks actually caught that on the last stream. I'm going to write that down. So we can... Notepad++. Where you at, homie? Where you at? Where'd you go? Check out Highly Difficult on Twitch. Hearts. Not going past 0, or not finishing last one. What else was there? I think I might have screwed up a -1 somewhere. Oh, winner being awarded to wrong person. Whoa, leet speak right there. Wrong person. Winner trophy was awarded to wrong person. Cool, guys. Cool, cool, cool. That was a Twitch match. So I'll let you guys vote right now in chat. Do you want me to do another Twitch match at a chance at 1,000 doubloons, or do you want me to start the cooldown sketch? If you guys tell me what you guys want to do, you could type cooldown into chat, or you can type what's this message? You can type cooldown to chat, or you could type like, I don't know, match or play or Skyhook into chat. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. Boop -a boop. Let's get all that back up. Let's get Visual Studio back. I think I'm printing something in the Twitch IRC, which is getting annoying. Command Q. Let's see, print debug.log. Yeah, I'm printing the buffer still. What's up? We got match. We got Twitch match. Votes for Twitch match. We got 2 votes for Twitch match. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got 3 votes for match. Let's go in. Rodolfo wants more doubloons. He wants a chance at more doubloons. All right, here we go, guys. Duppas votes for sketch. All right. Let's do a quick match. They're usually about 20, 30 seconds, and then we'll jump into the sketch. Big Baller votes for sketch. Let's go. We're going to do a quick match. 30 seconds. Type your name. Cool down. Oh, man. So many people. So many people. This is awesome. This is so cool. Toja, Inks and Tones finished. Toja, drop that link into chat, Toja. Drop that link into chat. Let us see it. Let us see that beautiful work. Sweet. The winners are Damage Vol, Duffus, and Angry Face. Angry Face. Sweet. All right, we're going to fix something right away that I saw that keeps annoying me, and that is in the countdown HUD. Countdown. Twitch countdown. Twitch match controller. Twitch countdown view, where it sends all these alerts, right? It's like seconds left. No, where does that happen? HUD. I think it's Twitch power up HUD. Nope. It's in Twitch join controller, and then it's in the countdown, right? Twitch countdown view. Where's that enumerator? Show alert. Alert manager. Username. 0 joined. Pulse title. Alert color. Where the heck is... Alright, we'll look at this later. Let's do a quick match. Upload in progress. Sweet, Toja, sweet. So don't show chat alert on 30 seconds. Alright, let's do this. Damage Ball, Dofus, and Angry Face versus me. Let's go. I'll be Jade.
Did somebody say fish?
Somebody did say fish. 3 lives, death. Actually, we'll change it up. For you guys haven't seen the game before, we'll do a Skyball match. In Skyball, you got to use your grappling hook to throw a ball into a goal. So I'm going to go on the team with Damage Ball, and we'll set up against Dufus and Angry Face. Here we go. We're going to head over to Tombs of Ra. This is Skyhook. It's a 2D platformer where you fight with grappling hooks. It is local multiplayer, and we are playing against bots named after viewers in chat. I got that kill right there. I'm going to dunk it in for the score. Dufus takes me out immediately. Spawning in, I'm going to grab that ball. Angry Face goes, we're going to pass it the damage. Oh, and it's got intercepted by Angry. Pass it the damage. Damage, pass it back, pass it back, pass it up, pass it up, pass it up. Oh, Shield got the vote. Nice, guys. Everyone voted for Shield. Sweet. I got a slam dunk right there. Here we go. Where's Damage Ball at? I need defense. I need defense. Oh, and I win. Me and Damage Ball for the win. Sweet. It looks like the Twitch doesn't know how to award points during Skyball. Very interesting. Very interesting. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. So Twitch chat can't not awarding points for team matches. So the winner there was Damage Ball, 1,000 doubloons. At Treasure, add Damage Ball, 1,000 doubloons for you, good sir. Oh my gosh. I'm not ready for this. Are you guys ready for this? I'm not ready for this. Check this out. Check out this. Oh, jeebers. Holy gabeebers. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is fan art being created by Toja in chat. It is so frick. Look at this. Holy shit. This is Anara from Skyhook. So good. So good. Oh man, so good. Dude. 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 I'm speechless. This is so great. I already have Jade. Oh my gosh. Wait, is it done, Toja? Is it done? Can I? Oh my gosh. Can I put it side by side? Oh, I'm about to make... Dude, you know what I'm about to do? You know what I'm about to do? Super cool game. Thank you, Angry Facing. Thank you so much. Let me tell you what I'm about to do right now. I am about to plop this into Photoshop. That bookmark on Chrome. Yeah, I got a lot of bookmark, guys. I got a lot of bookmark. Angry Facing gave me a follow on Twitter. Thank you so much, Angry Facing. Thank you so much. Toja, it's done. Sweet, because I'm about to do this. I'm about to drop it like it's Skyhook right now. I am going to grab this, copy image. I'm making my own wallpaper. Ah, look at it. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna put Anara on this side, and Jade on this side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So cool. Let's crop it. So what's this image size? Let's do 1920. So cool. Oh my gosh. Image. Can I do 1080? 1080, and I'll crop it based on the bottom, I think. Yeah. Guys, this is so good. I'm making my own wallpaper right now based on freaking fan art from Toja. Toja is awesome, is what I'm going to call this image file right now. Oh yeah, this is great. Toja, you tweeted at me, sweet. I will set that. I will retweet that. Let's go to our desktop. My computer is like falling apart. Let's go to desktop. Set that as my wallpaper. Because gosh damn it. That's so good. Let's look at Toja's tweet here. If you guys aren't following Toja on Twitter, check that guy out. He is super crazy talented and doing amazing fan art of Skyhook. Oh, look at this wallpaper. Look at this wallpaper. This is the dream. This is what I'm talking about. I didn't even draw this. I didn't even have to draw this. This is so cool. There's my characters, but I didn't draw them. It's so cool. Thank you, Toja. This is awesome, man. Seriously. Thank you so much. This means a lot. This really means a lot. Oh, man. Whew. This is it's going to be hard to follow that up for the cooldown sketch, man. Sheesh. Sheesh. You're not making this easy. Alright, guys. You know what time it is. It is super awesome cooldown sketch time. If you guys haven't seen this before, on this part of the channel, on this part of Quasi TV, I will do I will do a bunch of sketches based on ideas from chat. So get those ideas going. Get those ideas going. This is what we did yesterday. We did Trogdor. We did Alan Rickman. We did Chuck Norris with peg arms and peg legs, and a squirrel with robot legs. And then the day before that, the day before, or one of the days ago, we did a robot with a hamster controlling it and a ninja panda. And then I think a few days ago, oh yeah, 2 days ago, we did a jacked rabbit with a giraffe cactus and a potato lion. You guys are absolutely insane, but I'll draw whatever it takes. This is my favorite one. This is my spatula puss and a baby eating a keyboard.
Fish?
Turtle with a
Somebody say
jetpack.
fish?
You mad, broski? You mad, broski? You so mad, broski? You so mad? Let's update the channel name here. Daily Game Dev Stream. I'll leave that. That's pretty good. So let's jump in here, and we are. Oh, we should do some more hashtags. Hashtag pixel art. Hashtag illustration. All right. We are going to.
Did somebody say
Hey,
fish?
Adfit, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Adfit. What do we got so far, guys? We are going to do our cooldown sketch for today.
Fish?
This is
Did
our
somebody say fish?
cooldown sketch. Jeffy Biggins, welcome to the crew. Thank you so much for the follow. Meh. Make it black. There we go. All right. Missing all these. We got a bear slapping something with a fish. Oh my gosh. Fish. Somebody did say fish. Who was that? Shape Trick. Thank you for the follow. I need to add like a black overlay to that follow thing because I can't always read what it says. So let's see. Some of the ideas we have so far on the channel is turtle. I'm missing them. We can't do all of them, but I'll try to do some of them, guys. We got 4 hours of inks is no sketch though. Yeah, it ain't no sketch, man, but I appreciate it so much, Toja. I appreciate it so much. Turtle with jetpack. Dinosaur with lollipop. Dinosaur eating lollipop. Bear slapping with a fish. Bear slapping someone with a fish. Well, emo llama on drugs. Emo llama. Raining tacos. All right, we're going to call it right there, guys. We're going to call it right there. Emo llama drugs. Raining tacos. All right, that is a crazy, crazy amount of things I have to draw. But we will friggin' do it because today has been one of the biggest days for this stream. This is Quasi TV, and I want to make you guys... I want to draw for you guys right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Pikachu in a spacesuit. Oh, man, I can't say no to that. If you guys don't know already, I freaking love Pokemon. So, Pikachu spacesuit. That's it, though. We're going to call it right there. I swear. No more ideas. Let's start. So, as always, we're going to start our cooldown sketch by grabbing some references. So, turtle. Move this over here because you never know what Google image is going to pop up. I don't want Twitch to ban me. So, we got our turtle. I love regular sliders. I used to have one. Image mode color, please. Don't flatten, you jerk. There we go. We got our turtle over here. We're going to have to draw a dinosaur, so I'm going to draw a Brontosaurus. Actually, I've always wanted to draw a Triceratops. I haven't drawn one in a long time. Triceratops. Let's do Triceratops. Triceratops. Got a good one. There, I like that one. So Triceratops. What else do we got? We have a Binocular Lollipop bear slapping someone with a fish. Let's get a picture of a grizzly bear. Green, look at Squirtle in a firefighter outfit. That's an awesome idea, man. Dude, save that. Save that for the next one. That is a brilliant idea. So do a bear slapping somebody with a fish. DamageBot, what's going on, DamageBot? Welcome. Are you here to show us your Twitch game? A fat turtle with a jetpack. All right, Fade, we'll try. A fat turtle. I'll try to remember that. Emo llama. You guys love animals as much as I do, I suppose. Every suggestion we get, people request that we do animals, which is super interesting.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Laggerme, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the crew, Laggerme. Why when I search llama, it only shows me pictures of alpacas? That's super weird. All right, llama, and then finally Pikachu in a spacesuit. So Pikachu. Oh my gosh, this is going to be one of the craziest sketches we've done so far. This is a ton of stuff, guys, a ton of stuff. As always, I'm going to make a new window. going to dock it over here. This will be our reference window, so we could zoom around on the other window. And I'm going to take this window out. I'll close all these other sketches. We don't need them right now. All right, what's today's date, guys? Is today what, the 20th? Today is the 20th. Save this. Sketch 1-20/16. And let's get to it. Let's get to it. Cooldown sketch. I can't see my layers. All right, here we go, guys. If you guys are hanging out in chat wondering what the hell's going on, toward the end of the stream, every day I draw ideas from you guys in chat. Vano6RS, Vano16, Vano161 Russ. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Here we go. Setting up our workspace. Nothing more important than a clean workspace. Adding a new layer. Jumping in here. Getting our brush ready. Grabbing some water. All right. So, what do we got? Got turtle with a jetpack. Turtle with a jetpack. I can't see my layers here. So a turtle. Someone wanted like a fat turtle with a jetpack or something like that. So let's get over here. Let's get in this. Let's get in this. So we are going to draw a turtle with a jetpack. These are all ideas based on crazy, crazy suggestions in chat. This turtle is super bored. He's got a shell. What if the jetpack is built into his shell? Kind of like a Blastoise. And he's just super kind of nonchalant about it. DamageBot is fully operational. Welcome, DamageBot. If you guys don't know, DamageVol is working on a sweet, sweet bot for the channel. Or for all channels, I think, or just for channels, Twitch channels in general. That's going to have cool airship battles in it. So letting him test it out here on Quasi TV. So let's get this turtle going. He's super just like, I don't even know what's going on, but I have a jetpack, I guess. I wish somebody would make me not have a jetpack. Super grumpy fat turtle. Why are you so grumpy, fat turtle? I used to have a really fat turtle. We overfed him a ton. He was a red-eared slider. He got so big that we had to buy a 100-gallon. It was a 100-gallon or 75-gallon tank. We had to buy a massive tank. We got him as a baby red-eared slider. Not a baby, but like a small one. And he just kept growing and growing and growing. We had to buy a 100-gallon tank to house him. It was absolutely insane. It took up pretty much half of my bedroom. Actually, not my bedroom, my sister's bedroom at the time. It was her turtle. And then, yeah, once it got too big, we're like, all right, we got to get rid of this. We got to give it away. So we donated it to the pet shop so that hopefully we could get a new home from there. I think they have more than 3 toes each. I like coding. You can't drop poop. You can drop poop, man. Poop just looks like this. Anyone can drop poop. Gotta make it look nice. Like a little ice cream drop. Poop. So turtle, and then you got the inside thingy. I actually don't know what the bottom of a turtle. I can't remember what it looks like. I think it's like that. It's like super abs. And then he's got his little Blastoise jetpack. What the hell does a jetpack even look like? Jetpack. Okay, jetpacks look like a lot. Oh, that one looks cool. That's like a rocket. Looks like a freaking rocket. Let's do that. A turtle with a rocket jetpack. It's like choop, 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 choop. And then do this, and then shove it up. And it's like the jetpack is blasting out from behind him. And he's got his giant turtle shell. And then, how's he wearing the jetpack? I guess it's like, we can make it go around his arms like that. He's got another one back there. That's what's shooting the other blast out. And he's super grumpy. He really doesn't want to be jetpacking right now. He just wishes he was at home in his river at peace. That's going to be our turtle guy. And then he's going to need his shell stuffs. There we go. There's our turtle guy. We'll clean him up. So, whoop. turtle. So grumpy. So what I like to do is when I'm cleaning up my sketches, I'll start pushing parts of it, just trying to exaggerate it more. I'm not going for a super crazy clean line art. I'm just trying to clean it up so we don't see all those sketches in the background. Sometimes I like even leaving that sketch in the background so people know where the art kind of came from. What's going on, guys? DamageBot, how are you? Pooh Bear Boy, you're a big fan of the new thing. Tiny Roboduck, who's pissed? It's just his Monday, so he's pissed. Oh, it's the Turtles Monday, yeah. The Turtles having a rough Monday right now. Here we go. There we go. Turtles have thumbs? No, I guess they don't. They just have claws. So here, as I clean up the sketch, I'm going to make his arms a little bit more parallel. So they're about the right size, the right proportion, etc. I really don't want to screw up the underside of the turtle. Let's look at turtle underside. So this is what the underside of a turtle looks like. So I want to make sure we get that right. I always just base it on all the stuff I saw from Ninja Turtles back in the days. Let's just do that, and then one of these. I mean, we were kind of on the right track, essentially. I also watched a lot of Franklin as a kid. I guess I've had quite a bit of turtle exposure in my life. Let's get all 5 toes in there. And then get his jetpack in there. So he strapped his jetpack on. He's flying off. If you guys don't know what's going on right here in the stream, we are drawing crazy ideas based on suggestions from the chat. And the first one we're drawing is a turtle in a jetpack.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Striply Jin, welcome to the crew. Thank you so much. Oh, Simply Jin, welcome to the crew. Jixon, Simply Jixon, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. You're watching a cooldown sketch for today's Skyhook game development stream. We are drawing a turtle with a jetpack. He's a grumpy turtle. And someone also said that he also has to be really fat. We did that too. There we go. Alright guys, there's our turtle with a jetpack. Oh crap, what did I do? It's on the wrong layer. No, it's on the wrong layer. Don't need that. Merge that. And we could turn down the sketch layer. I don't think we need it at all. Alright, we got a turtle with a jetpack. There he is. Shrink him down. I'll leave him there. Or should we have enough space? Yeah, we'll shrink him down later. Next up, what's up next, guys? We got a dinosaur eating a lollipop. A dinosaur eating a lollipop. Simply, what's going on? Salute, salute. Told you love the bored look of the turtle. Yeah, I thought it'd be extra funny if he was just like, I don't want to be in a jetpack. Please. I like coding. You found a turtle in the middle of the road. Sweet. You put it back in the river, which was like 1 kamal. Oh, that's so nice of you, man. That's really nice of you. Yeah. Turtles are not really fantastic pets because they carry like salmonella and stuff. And they deserve like wide open spaces, I think, to live in. Alright, so there's our turtle with a jetpack. Calling it. Not calling it. Not calling it. Calling it. Calling it. Not calling it. Man, I'm not getting these shell shapes right. They're more like hexagon-y. There we go. Hexagons. Turtle with a jetpack. All right. Dinosaur eating a lollipop. We're gonna draw a triceratops. A triceratops eating a lollipop. So let's go. He's got his big old triceratops head thingy, which is whatever they have for some reason. And his head, skull is gonna be like there. I'm guessing that's all part of their skull too, right? This is gonna be his snout. Gonna be his eye. He's gonna be leaning over. is about to become really extreme. I might not go all the way with this one. Let's see. He's kind of leaning over. Shoulders are that way, so I'll make his hips like this. That'll be his other hand, holding the lollipop in his mouth. Trying to think what to do with his legs here. I want to make him kind of like leaning on something. Narcos, is Daniel here? I'm not sure. I think he was here. He was definitely here earlier. Daniel! People want you, man. People want you. Actually, if he is here, I want to know if he's streaming today or not. We got a Triceratops here. And he is eating a lollipop because whoever suggested that is absolutely insane. What's great about hanging out with you guys on stream is that I think you're all pretty much as crazy as I am, because you guys suggest some of the wildest stuff when I ask you for ideas for the cooldown sketch. If you guys are just joining the channel, you don't know what's going on. For today, every day during the game dev stream, we do random sketches based on suggestions from the audience, which is what's going on right now. So we got our grumpy jetpack turtle. Now we're doing a Triceratops eating a lollipop. Daniel, you're doing NDA stuff, so trying to finish that before you do your stream. Get it going, man. Get it going. Get it going. Alright, here we go. Triceratops. Trying to decide if the Triceratops...
Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Dunoroids! Dunoroids, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. So he's got horn there, and 2 horns here. And it's got, oh, they have like beaks. That's wild. I didn't know Triceratops had like these beaks. I'm gonna move his head up because this is digital art, and I could totally cheat by changing proportions on stuff live. That's why I love digital art. So they've got beaks. This is a seductive Triceratops right now. The beak's really confusing me. I want him looking at the camera. And they've got like their bumpy bump horns all over that. Man, Triceratops have quite a few horns. It's wild. What's going on, guys? What did I miss? What did I miss? Everyone lost the airship battle. Crap. Oh, Damageball, you got the airships going. You forgot to ask permission. No worries, Damageball. Totally cool, man. Totally cool. I know you're working on the bots. I'm glad we can help out. No worries, dude. So you got a battle and stuff? You can do ships battle. Sweet. You get a crew together. Everyone lost their airship. That's cool, man. So here is our Triceratops eating a lollipop. I'm going to hunch it over a little bit. And do they have like these black claws or something for fingers? Alright. This guy's just like, what up? You want some of this Triceratops? It's funny, his beak kind of makes him look like he has lipstick on. And I'm saying he, I don't even know what, I didn't decide on any gender for this Triceratops, but you know what, maybe I'll leave it. Whatever. Because you can't, he's like kind of leaning on a tree or something. I don't know what he's leaning on. Maybe he's leaning on something else we're going to draw. And he's going to have tiny, he or she, whatever this thing is going to have teeny tiny legs. Tiny little Triceratops legs. He's like, hey, what up? I'm that guy from Greece. Alright, what am I missing? What am I missing in chat, guys? What am I missing? Ooh, ship battles going on. Ship battles. How's the bot going, Damagefall? You're writing in, I think you said the other day, Java, right? You're writing your bot in Java. Alright, so I tried a dinosaur eating a lollipop. Let's make sure that lollipop is clear. In fact, we'll even get even crazier. Where's my colors? My colors. Make it a nice red lollipop. Oh, Triceratops have tails too, right? Totally forgot. It's gotta have a tail. You're not a Triceratops if you don't have a tail. Alright, there it is. There it is. What's up, guys? Greenish Liquid, could you link a picture for my idea of the bear? Yeah, sure, Greenish Liquid. Why not? Why not? Solamaz, the Triceratops says, do you even lift, bro? Check out my triceps. Oh, yeah. Here's our Triceratops eating a lollipop. We'll clean that up real quick as well. If you guys don't know what's going on, we are doing sketches based on crazy-ass suggestions from the chat room. Just cleaning this guy up, pushing some of his features. So we're gonna make that. We're gonna make his horns more rounded. Gonna make them really protrude from his body. Trying to avoid tangents on these head bone bulby things. Alright, here we go. Here we go. What's up, guys? Told you if we were to give ideas. Baseball bear. Let's see what Greenish Liquid has linked us here. You want him slapping someone in the face like a baseball player? But with a fish. Okay, so you want a bear playing baseball with a fish. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what bears actually do. So here is the lollipop. See, if you guys give me the idea to draw a dinosaur with a lollipop, I'm going all in. I'm designing an entire Anthro-Dino character. Just eat that lollipop, leaning on some invisible thing. Whoa, his hand got messed up from the original sketch. I like coding, you gotta go. Awesome, thanks so much for hanging out. I like coding. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out at today's stream. You're awesome, man. Get these legs. Gonna make these a little bit more cartoony. How many toes do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna give him 3 because he has 3 on the arm. Here we go. And the tail. I still don't know. What do you guys think he's leaning on? What is our lollipop licking Triceratops leaning on right now? You want me to battle everyone, Pooh Bear? Sure. Let's see what do I got. I got 1. I'll just go all in. 1376. Or do you want to do battle or ship battle? I'll go all in on my regular battle. Alright, there is our Triceratops with the lollipop, and we'll make sure we'll color that lollipop in. Triceratops with a lollipop. There it is. Put him over here. We need to make him lean on something. Did you guys decide yet what he's leaning on? Leaning on a candy stand? That's a cool idea. And what's he also kicking his feet onto? Gosh darn it. I guess just the wall behind him. So he could be leaning on like one of, oops, that's not black. Like one of these things, I guess. Where it's like you put a quarter in. And it's full of like those pachinka chink chinks. You can buy like gumballs or like SpongeBob toys and stuff. That's a cool idea. And then I've got to bring this tail back because we're losing it. So I took the tail out because if it was connecting to the candy stand, it looked like it was actually coming out of the candy stand. You can't tell if it's his tail or if it's a part of the candy stand. Tojo, you died. Damn, dude. Damn. Alright, there's our dinosaur eating a lollipop. This cooldown sketch is going on super long, but it's totally worth it. Because it's going to be super crazy. I feel like one of these are definitely going to get added to our Twitch channel. If you guys notice, the spatula post is right there behind chat. So when the best sketch is and the coolest sketch ideas end up permanently as part of the Twitch overlay. So we got the creepy Triceratops. What else do we got? A bear slapping someone with a fish. And the idea the greenish liquid wants is he wants us to do it like the bear's playing baseball. So we're just going to throw this in here and pick up this quick pose. We're going to say arm, other arm, hips, foot, back foot, head, trying to understand. So this hand is in front and that hand's in back, and then he's just got a big old fish. And he's about to use to smack this guy. Oops. And he needs to be a bear, so I'll give him a snout, and a head, and ears, and oh, losing all that, can't see anything. Give him his bear snout. We need to stretch him out a little bit. I was trying to push his proportions to be shorter, but we could do that later. So we'll drop this shoulder. Get more bear snouty in here. We got big old grizzly. Reminds me of the Irk slaps with a wet trout. What is that? I don't even know. I have to zoom in here.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, JMoney53, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. You're watching the crazy chat suggested sketches after today's Skyhook game development stream. Right now we're illustrating a bear slapping somebody with a big old fish. I think it was Greenish Liquid's idea. Pooh Bear, I think you might be confused about the bots. So, like, the bot we're using that's talking for this channel is a program that I'm running on my computer, and that's why I can answer stuff for this channel. And the bot that DamageVol is using is actually something that he coded himself. So you can't just, like, download it and then have your own ship game. You have to actually make it, if that makes any sense. Toja, thank you for giving out all the info. And by the way, Toja, you don't have to feel any pressure now that you're a mod or anything like that. Like, you don't have to like feel like you have to like hang out and answer all the questions and stuff. So if you gotta like go or do whatever, feel free. Feel free. So now we're gonna draw those lines ourselves for the arm.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Terry makes stuff. Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Terry. All right, we got a big old grizzly here. He's slapping somebody with a fish. And maybe he's going, rah! Because, I mean, whatever reason he has to slap some guy with a fish, I'm sure it wasn't a simple reason. There must be some tension building up here. J Money, loving the art. I have the perfect voice for audiobooks. Thanks, man. Maybe we'll just switch the stream over on like Mondays and Wednesdays. I'll just read like Harry Potter books or something. Like, and then Harry walked into the Chamber of Secrets and died, and then everyone died. Thanks, dude. That means a lot. Mio Chafer, can you do the same thing with GIMP? Yes, everything I'm doing here in Photoshop, which is basically just drawing, you can do with GIMP. I'm just drawing with a black brush. It's kind of a special brush, but you can achieve very similar, anything you want to draw, you can achieve it in GIMP. So yeah, you can do whatever you want in GIMP, man. You don't need Photoshop. I just use it because it's what I'm used to, and I like it, and I have it. Alright, Greenish, we're going to hope this bear is coming out how you were hoping. He's so angry. And he's about to flip a fish. Other arm goes like over and grabs the fish. What's up, guys? Yeah, Mio Chafer, I'm using a tablet right now. I'm using a Cintiq 22 HD. I would recommend buying any kind of like Wacom tablet or any other kind of tablet like a Bamboo or an Intuos or whatever to get started. It's very hard to draw the way I'm drawing with a mouse. It is possible. I've seen some artists who are crazy talented at it. But yeah, your life will be a lot easier if you buy a drawing tablet. Faux show, faux show. Yeah, I told you, I am curious. What do you use to do your work? I'm assuming you use Manga Studio, but that might be crazy. I mean, I might be wrong about that. Mr. Puka, you're gonna make your own bot. Cool, man. Yeah, I want to make one too. I want to make a special bot just for this channel. So we're gonna make the feet here. Let's just. I'm gonna cut out this old feet. Put there. Narrow it down. In this new layer, I'm gonna redraw it. Still looking at the reference here on my other screen of a dude swinging a baseball bat that was provided to us by Greenish Liquid. So you guys know I love drawing my characters with teeny tiny feet because I think it's so funny when a character has like way smaller feet in their body. Although this guy's looking a little bit unproportionate. Hey, what? I missed the name. Mio Chafer, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew, my friend. You're watching Skyhook Game Development. We are doing sketches based on ideas from you guys in chat. So here he is. We'll give him his pants. That leg is not looking right at all. Because I give them tiny legs, but I do want to make sure their legs look like it could support their weight, right? So if he's this big, he must have at least like big old paw legs to support his big old weight.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Louise, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Or Lewis, 12324. Welcome to the crew. You're watching Skyhook Game Development. We're drawing a bear slapping somebody in the face with a fish. We're just gonna draw the bear part, not the other guy getting slapped part. Here's his old pants, and then he wears a big old belt buckle. Because obviously, I mean, if a bear's wearing pants, he needs a belt to hold it up. Duh. Don't get crazy, guys. Don't get crazy.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Arhipio, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. What's my favorite programming language? Mio Chafer. I don't really have a favorite. They're all fine. I'm just really used to working in C# because I use it every day to work on Skyhook. So I work in that a lot. But I don't really have a favorite. They're all good. They're all good.
Did somebody say fish?
Hyperdomi, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Hyperdomi. We are drawing a bear slapping somebody with a big old fish. All right, Greenish Liquid, what do you think, man? What do you think? I think this was your suggestion. Oh, shit. Don't want that. There it is. Get some fur in there, over here. Get some fur over there. Nope, that's not good. Nope, that's not good either. It looks kind of like a bear. Looks like a bear, smells like a bear, must be a bear. I'm going to add some shadows. John Smegma, welcome to the crew, John Smegma. You're just in time for our chat suggested sketches. We're drawing crazy, crazy ideas suggested by people in chat. A bear slapping a fish, a triceratops eating a lollipop. What has this world come to, guys? What has this world come to? And then our poor little turtle. Just looking at it makes me so sad. I feel so bad for him. I just wish he had a friend, you know? I just wish Jetpack Turtle had a friend. Alright, there's that. And we'll blend that with Triceratops. Move these guys. So, oh, I got it, guys. Fish bear is about to slap Triceratops guy with this fish, and he has no idea it's coming. He has no idea it's coming. J Money, waiting on your processor, you can start streaming more. Cool. Yeah, my game, I'm working on Skyhook. You can see the game a little bit. We'll do a quick match very soon. If you want to stream it, please let me know. That would be super awesome. I could give you the special Twitch version that we've been working on here on stream. So here we go, guys. This bear with the fish is about to slap this Triceratops. It's not a cooldown sketch. These are our chat suggested sketches. I lost my tools. Where are my tools at? There we go. Check your sketches. All right. Oh my God, we got so much. It's been way over 25 minutes. We got more to do. We got Pikachu in a spacesuit and a llama on drugs and tacos, raining tacos. J Money, you'll buy on stream. Thank you so much. Sweet. Yeah, let me know if you're streaming it. I'd love to come by, talk to you about the game and stuff. That would be so cool, J Money. Thank you so much. That really, really means a lot, man. One of the toughest parts about being a solo indie game developer is kind of getting the word out there of your game, you know? So I really appreciate you guys helping me get the word out there. So we are going to draw an emo llama. This is the second llama that has occurred on this channel. There was a llama requested just a few weeks ago. Or just a few days ago, I mean. Just put this there. So we're going to draw emo llama. Where's our llama ref? There it is. Let's flip that reference a little bit. So I'm going to draw the llama facing right. Or sorry, facing left. Here goes our emo llama. He is going to be like, I'm a llama, and he's going to be another grumpy character. He's so emo. Emo llama. Pudgy arms and legs. What's up, guys? J Money, you'll help promote what you can. Dude, you're so awesome, J Money. Seriously, thank you. That is so awesome. Damagefall upgrading his ship, super cool. Damagefall making his own bot. Do you think llamas have like hooves or something?
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Tom Nixlabo. Tom Nixlabo, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. You're watching our chat suggested sketches here on Quasi TV. Alright, and big old llama tail. Llama tail. Now he's emo, right? So what, I don't know, what are some definitions of being emo? You guys wanted an emo llama. So he's obviously grumpy. I don't really understand what a llama's face looks like. I'm just going to assume it looks like a dog. I just drew a dog. So let's go llama face. Ooh, thanks for upgrading my ship. Appreciate it, Damagewall. Developer 83, you can create tutorial for simple animation of characters. Do you mean like pixel art or do you mean like 2D art? What do you mean? I would love to do some of that stuff. Let's look at what a llama. Oh my god. Is that what a llama looks like? Is that what a llama looks like? It looks very dumb. It looks kind of dumb. This does look like a dog. So it has like a thing and big old teeth. No, doesn't look cute at all. So it definitely has this thing, and then it has like this kind of a nose. It looks like a pig now. What the hell? What is even a llama, guys? What is even a llama? I need more llama reference. Goat. Oh yeah, they are like goats. Alright, this is better. This, I think, will help us get further. Alright, it's because of it's the sharp angles, I think, that's making it look like a dog. Let's drop those. I'm going to adjust the ears. So we're going to go bloop and shaboop. This one is like that and like that. So we got llama. Actually, it's not spiky. Llamas are like cottony. And like that. And so their nose. The nose is what's really confusing me. But I guess if I just make it like a Simpsons character, then everybody will be happy. That looks kinda like a llama, I guess. It looks like a llama wearing a horse. This looks so bad. This looks so bad. Daniel, yeah, I drew a llama before. I don't know why that one was so much easier than this one. Where that was like what, the 15th? Yeah, this llama was easy because it was just from the side and it was smaller. I tried to make this llama HD and oh my gosh, does it look bad. It looks like a dude wearing a llama costume. I don't even know right now. What am I getting wrong about this llama, guys? It's got like a... Maybe I should Google cartoon llama. This is artist. Yes, art is hard. Maybe it's just sad, not mad. Yeah, that's true. Okay, we need... Oh, you know what? We need Emperor's New Groove. Yeah. That is going to be our reference for a llama. That is the best kind of llama.
Fish?
Developer 83, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. The body needs to be longer. Okay, yeah, you're right, because it looks kind of like a donkey or something right now. Let's go back to our sketch. So we're going to dump this. We're going to grab this. We're going to put it like there. We're going to be like, shoo-ba-dee-bop. And shoo-boop. We're going to say, yeah, using the characteristics from Emperor's New Groove is so much more helpful. Although making the head too big. Almost a thing, almost a thing. Now it's just too big. I think it's starting to look more and more like a llama, probably, maybe, kind of? What do you guys think? What's up, guys? Stumpy Camel. I don't know what that means. So what's going to make this llama emo exactly? Just drop some of this. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. So what does it mean to be emo? Black hair, lip piercing. So a lip piercing, eye makeup, I guess. How do you draw eye makeup on a llama? Eye makeup, crazy streaks. Just totally stereotyping based on whatever I found on Google. Jacob Sigger, welcome to the crew. We are drawing an emo llama for no reason whatsoever. We're drawing suggestions from users in chat as a fun way to get the creative juices flowing on stream. A cigarette? Does a cigarette make you emo? I hate putting cigarettes in my characters. A wallet with a chain? Yeah, I put a cigarette in my super cool banana, and I realized like I'm not even like I don't want to like recommend smoking, so I don't even like putting it on my stream overlay. Excuse pooping. Oh, a tattoo, like a star tattoo. Is this gonna look like a My Little Pony thing? Or oh, I know, a broken heart tattoo. This looks kind of like a My Little Pony character, but whatever. Emo llama. Miss Kapuka, we're not famous, but we were lucky enough that Twitch has chosen to feature us today, so it's been awesome. Thank you, Twitch. Thank you for featuring Quasi TV while we draw apparently really insane things like a Triceratops eating a lollipop and emo llama. Let's add our shadows. You guys know I love putting shadows under my characters, even when they're not super accurate. Because whatever, we can do whatever we want. We're grown men. We're grown-ups. We're grown-ups, guys. We're grown-ups. Sometimes they'll ask people what they want to be when they grow up. And it's like, wait a second, you might be grown up. So Emo Llama's just like chilling out, doesn't really care about what's going on. Emo Llama, my Emo Llama. Alright guys, we got our Emo Llama, we got our Triceratops eating a lollipop. What else did you guys want? You guys wanted a Pikachu in a spacesuit. That would be easy. Well, not easy, but we can put him just kind of floating over here. So we'll do just like Pikachu head, which, oh gosh, I don't even know if I could draw a Pikachu head. It's going to straight up draw from that reference of a Pikachu head. And Pikachu has a mouth, like a mouse. And and he's so happy. And a little baby nose. And rounded eyes. And cute red cheeks. And he's in space. I need a reference for a spacesuit real quick. Spacesuit. Pika Pika. We need a Pika Pika sound effect. That's what we need in life. A Pika Pika sound effect. Spacesuit. Cartoon. It's got a nice spacesuit reference. I like this one. So Pikachu is just kind of floating around in space, just like, what's going on? I don't know, Pika Pika. Where's our Pikachu lair? There it is. So Pikachu, what always confuses me about Pikachu is the white of its eyes. I feel like, oh, I see what they do. They put it in the center so it doesn't throw you out. Because I feel like now Pikachu looks like it's looking up. I don't know how they achieve it so Pikachu, like the white doesn't look like it's actually, you know what I mean? His pupils. I don't know what's the secret to achieving that in a Pikachu. So Pikachu is Pika Pika in his spacesuit. Whose suggestion was that? Whoever thought of that, you're absolutely crazy. Pikachu is going to be the next costume in that Pikachu dress-up thing they have in the new Pokemon games. But obviously Pikachu's spacesuit was made custom for him. So it's got ear things. Oh, his ears aren't that big. It's got ear things. And it's got ear thing. There's his helmet. It's Pikachu. And he's like, Pika, Pika. The hell is his arm? His arm is just like little tiny nuggets. What would his spacesuit arm be like? I don't even know. It'll just be like straight up nuggets. That's way too big. What's going on, guys? Pikachu in a spacesuit. You mean astronaut Teemo from League of Legends. There's Pikachu, and there's his feet. And there's his other feet. And I guess his toes need a... Oh gosh, this looks bad. I guess his tail needs its own container in the suit. Other than Pikachu look like he's absolutely insane. Gonna move his legs apart because they look like they're coming out of his crotch. Ground control to Major Pikachu. That's awesome. Alright, and he's got a thing and a thing there. And his Pikachu arms are up because he's floating around. He doesn't know what to do because he's in space. And he can't use his lightning because then he might kill someone. Might kill himself. I'm going to turn off Snap because it's driving me crazy. Alright, and then we're going to give him little rings here and little rings there. And he's got to have a suit for his tail. So his tail goes like that, and it's going to be rounded. Which people aren't going to be like, oh, you drew his tail rounded. But it's like, no, the suit's rounded, but fine. We won't do that. We're going to put a stripe there, and this will be like these coils that make up the tail portion of his suit. Navinax, can I tell you about the game? Yes, we'll play the game in just a sec. I'll show you guys. So Skyhook is a game where you fight with grappling hooks. It's a 2D platformer. It's out now on Steam Early Access, so you can check it out on Steam. Thanks for the link, Tojo. Thanks, Tojo. Thanks for the link, man. So we're gonna be working on the game in a sec. We're just doing some silly sketches to have some fun. So here's our Pikachu, and he is connected by this pipe because he's floating. Actually, no, I'm just gonna make him floating in space. And I'm going to lower this part of him. Alright, there's our floating space Pikachu. He's hilarious. And finally, it needs to be raining tacos. So let's merge all of our stuff together. Let's merge these guys. Bring down our depressed flying jetpack turtle. And last request for the day, guys. Last request. J-Money, you're buying it Saturday. Awesome. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. They don't die. Right. He wouldn't die in space. He would just faint in space. Let's get a taco. What does a taco look like? I don't even know. It looks like a thing and a thing. Let's just get this useless picture of a taco. Reference is always good. Reference is always good. So apparently somebody wanted it to be raining tacos, because life is always better when it's raining tacos. So raining. Actually, this is going to be really easy because we could just draw one taco. Right? We'll fill it with meats and cheeses and salads, and add a little taco shell, and put some spicy meatball and some sauce. Wait, no, meatballs. There's a taco, and we'll just take our taco and be like, oh, taco over there, and a taco over here, and the taco over there. And the taco over here for you. We're going to shrink this one. Taco over here. I'm going to hide our description because we don't need it anymore. Let's get one or two more tacos, I think. Taco over there. Whoa. Not that big. Taco over there. Alright, merge all of our tacos. And add some speed lines. Tacos falling down. It's raining tacos. Everybody open your mouths because it's frickin' raining tacos. Alright, here's everything you guys asked for. Raining tacos, a turtle with a jetpack, a lollipop, a dinosaur eating a lollipop. Let's merge this with our sketch layer. Let's get our turtle. Can merge all this. Let's get our title. We don't need anything else anymore. We don't need anything, guys. We don't need any of that. And there it is. There is today's chat suggested Twitch sketch, guys. Here it is. If you guys enjoyed the show, if you're loving what you're seeing, please consider giving the channel a follow. I stream game development and crazy sketches like this one every single day, every single weekday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There we go. All these tacos, save, boom. Here it is, guys. Chat suggested sketch, a bear slapping somebody with a fish, a turtle with a jetpack, a triceratops eating a lollipop, a super emo llama, Pikachu as an astronaut, and raining tacos. Right there, all these ideas by you hilarious people in chat. You guys are absolutely insane. I could not have thought of so many insane things at one time, I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna save this.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Hey, Deadbeat, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. This is our chat suggested sketch for the day. Thanks so much. Let's jump into the game, guys. Let's do a little bit. Let's play another Twitch match before we call this stream. Here we go.
Fish? Did somebody say fish?
Vlad94, Vladic94, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. We're about to do a Twitch match. Hey, Soaptray11 and Stetsmando, thank you for the Stetsmando, Marsep91. Marsep91, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, guys. Oh, Pestilent Mars, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Jelly Dino, you're too early. You're too early. Check it out, guys. This is Skyhook. It's a 2D platformer where you fight with grappling hooks. I'm going to do a Twitch match, which means when the counter comes up, if you type play into chat, you have a chance to show up as a character in the stream. And, I mean, in the game. And if your bot wins, you'll be controlled by an AI-controlled bot. If your bot wins, you get 1,000 doubloons, which is the currency here in our stream. So here we go. 1, 2, hit it. Deadbeat, you're in school for game dev. Awesome. Oh, thanks so much, man. Yeah, this is the game. This is the game that I'm working on. It's Skyhook. It's a 2D platformer. We added Twitch integrations. Check it out. Oh my god, Ruin, Metarix, Pestilent, J Money. So many of you guys haven't seen before. Awesome. Terry makes stuff. What's up, man? Physical Puka. Hyperdomi, what's going on? Arfio, Jose Expo, Shremek, Navanak. Sorry, I'm butchering you guys' names, trying to read them all really fast. 18 people queued in right now. Here we go, here we go. And boom! Pestilin, Mystical Puka, and Navanex get chosen as Finn, Jade, and Jade. So they were chosen in as bots, and now I'm going to fight against them. So I'm going to go in as Anara, the teleporting ninja. Ruin, welcome to the crew, Ruin. Thank you so much for the follow. Ruin Matrix. We're about to play a Twitch integrated Skyhook match. Ancestral, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. 3 live deathmatch. We'll head over to King's Fall. Check this out, guys. This is a local multiplayer brawler where you fight with grappling hooks. So I'm Quasi TV up here. I'm the red character. You guys could vote for what power-ups we get. So you could vote for Invisi, Slow, or Shield, and I'll activate that power-up in the game. I'm going to grab this ship. I'm going to shoot a cannonball. What's up, Panodin? Welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. Oh, Invisible gets a vote. Nice. Oh, Mystical Puka dodges my attack. Oh, Navanex comes for me. Oh, missed him. Slow motion gets a vote. Oh, Mystical Puka takes me out with a melee attack. Oh, Invisible gets the power-up, so everyone who was alive turned invisible. Check it out, guys. So in this game, you have a grappling hook, a melee attack, and you could dodge in midair and on the ground. It's a Smash-inspired game with simpler mechanics and, of course, a grappling hook, because you need one of those in your life. If you don't have a grappling hook in your life, what are you doing? What are you doing? Shield with all the votes. Shield's in the lead. I'm going to grab this mount. I'm going to shoot a cannon at Pestilin, blow off his shield, blow off Oh, and Mystical Puka for the win. And the game automatically gives Mystical Puka 1,000 doubloons. We added that today on stream, guys. We coded that on the stream. Mystical Puka just got 1,000 doubloons in the game. Good stuff, good stuff. Awesome, guys. So it looks like we're deducting the hearts kind of wrong. Let's take a look at what's going on. J-Money, you'll buy this. Oh, thanks so much. Rude Matrix, chat lag. No worries. We'll start another match. I think we are deducting the wrong hearts. Let's see here. In player hearts, update score, int value, decrement. If the current value, we want to hide whatever's in the current value and then deduct the current value. Hide what's this? The current value is 3. Oh, we want to hide current value -1, I think. Navanex, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Let's do another Twitch match here on stream. Actually, let's test this first. Jose, yes. So Skyhook is a game completely on its own, so you can play it without all the Twitch stuff. So you can, if you download the game on Steam right now, you can just play straight up Smash-like combat against AI and bots and stuff like that. You can play with your friends, local multiplayer. You could fight them as well. So the Twitch stuff is extra. So if you go to options, you can go down here to Twitch, and you could enter your Twitch channel. This is an update we're working on. It hasn't come out yet. You can enter your Twitch channel to connect it to Twitch. You don't have to. You could totally play without Twitch. But if you add the Twitch stuff, if you're streaming, then you can have this kind of choice chamberee stuff.
Fish? Did somebody say
Is this
fish?
Java SE? No, this isn't. Dinijo, Donejo, thank you for the crew. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. Pestilin, is this Java? No, this is all done in C#. It's all done in C#. So we are going to invite the Twitch chat. Here we go, guys. All right, Jelly Dino, right on time. Jose is in. Greenish Liquid is in. GG. Oh, man. Bit my tongue earlier today. I think I swelled up. It's kind of painful. 20 people. Holy gibberish. Sweet. Daniel starting his countdown. Cool. We'll go up until Daniel's stream starts. All right. Weeram, Duffus, and Green. Here we go. I'm going to jump in as Anara, the original 4. We're going to do another death match. 3 lives in the Tombs of Ra. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Jelly Dino, can I draw something for my channel? I'm not doing any commissions or anything right now, but you can always ask for a drawing during our cooldown sketches, which we do every day at around 4:40 p.m. If your idea gets picked, then I'll draw your idea on the stream. Oh, green light takes me out. Damn. Here I go. All right, the lives are working now. It's all good. Sweet. Lost another life. Not doing good right now. Not doing good, guys. These bots are killing me. All right, take out Doofus. Take out Green. Going for Weeworm. Miss him with a melee. Get him with the hook. Turn around. Oh, and a cannon gets him from above. Saves me because his body blocks my death by the cannon. I'll clash with Duffus's hook. Hook him from above. Turn around. Melee him in the face. There we go. The hearts are working again, guys. The hearts are finally working. All right, it's just down to me and Green Like. 1 life each. Oh, and he gets me. Green Lycus with the win. 1,000 doubloons. GG. GG. We gotta hide. Alright, so some of our to-dos. We need to hide hearts when match ends. Animate hearts being lost. Add logic for game mode hearts. Cool, cool, cool. Wrecked for sure, wrecked for sure. The other thing we need to do is I'm annoyed by the let's see, Control Shift F seconds left. I don't want it to show the chat right now. It's doubly right here. So on seconds left, you're getting called if countdown is divisible by 0 and countdown time is less than countdown time. Let's just say less than start time. So float start time equals countdown time. And so if it's less than start time, then we'll send those alert messages saying it's time's up. J-Money will do multiplayer one day. I do hope to try to implement it. Yeah, I'm going to prototype online multiplayer. It's not guaranteed yet since I'm a one-person team. I'm making the game by myself. But I will be prototyping online multiplayer, probably on stream very soon. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. 552. Doing some more matches. Doing some more Twitch matches. Compiling the game. All right, versus. Invite. Type play, guys. Type play to get into the game. Greenish Liquid, I be rich. Yes, Greenish Liquid. So many doubloons, over 1,000 doubloons. I mean, I want to lower the font size on those alerts as well. Cool, cool, cool. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a few more matches. We got some time. We got some time. Here it is. Here it is. Nice. Arfio, Ruin Matt, and Panodin. Let's go. 3 live deathmatch, random stage. Ooh, we got the Swamplands. Got the Swamplands. You guys could vote for what power-ups we get. You got slashed. Meleeed. Oh, I fell off. Darn. Here we go. Here we go. Rude Matt. Oh, Rude Matt with 2 kills in a row. Thinks he's going to get me, but he's not. Oh, and I take a dive again. Ruin Matrix is sweeping it right now. Oh, everybody turns into an Ara. Mirror gets the vote. I am out, guys. It's just down to, I don't even know who, because the labels are gone while it's in mirror mode. Ruin Matrix and Arfio. Oh, and they both take a dive, but Ruin Matrix survives the fall, gets the win. Well done. Ruin Matrix gets 1,000 doubloons. Alright guys, we're going to do another. Remember, alright, so here's how it works. If you guys are just joining the chat, this game is Skyhook. It's a game where you fight with grappling hooks. It's out now on Steam Early Access. We added Twitch integration on stream. The game is also on Steam. I'm going to queue up. You guys have 30 seconds. Type play into chat, and you could join up to be spawned in as a bot in the game. So here we go. Now's your chance. There we go. Tomkin, Hyperdomi, Cecil's in. Awesome, guys. Jacob, Ruin, Stillant, George, J Money's in. RPO, Arhipo is in. Deadbeat, Terry Makes Stuff, Gembog, Greenish Liquid's in. Panodin is in. Wireum, Green Lycus. Nice, guys. 8 seconds to go. Do it now. Mr. Kashi and Toja is in. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The time is now. Ruin Matrix again. A Cecil is in, and Deadbeat is in as well. I will spawn in as Finn. Original 4. This game is Skyhook. You can swing around with your grappling hook. You can attack with your grappling hook. You can attack with a melee, and you can dodge on the ground and in the air. Here we go, guys. We're going to do a 3 live deathmatch, and we're going to do it in King's Fall. So I am playing against bots named after people in chat. You guys can vote for what power-ups we're going to get. So you can see right there, you can vote for Griffin, Invisi, or Mirror, and it'll activate that power-up. I'm going to go for this kill. Oh, and I get stabbed in the back by a Cecil. Deadbeat picks up the airship. Oh, Griffin getting all the votes. Griffin's my favorite power-up, guys. Definitely give it to us if you can. Griffin is... All right, we all got Griffins now. Every character mounted on a Griffin that shoots lightning and can fly around the stage and flap its Griffin-y wings and do its Griffin... Blow up Deadbeat. I'll blow up Ruin. I just missed him. I almost got him. My Griffin's going to leave. Goodbye, Griffin. R.I.P. Oh, Griffin and Vizzy is tied up. Griffins again. Love it. 2 Griffins in a row. Thank you, guys. There we go. Destroying with his Griffin right now. Destroying. Let's go, Ruin Matrix. What do you got? What do you got? You're not even on a Griffin. I'm on a Griffin. You're not on a Griffin. I'm not on a Griffin. Oh, you're on a Griffin! Oh, no! Nope, nope! Oh, Ruin Matrix gets me right when he falls off the Griffin. One life each. It's just me, Quasi TV, and Ruin Matrix. Here we go. You guys can vote slow Griffin or speed in chat to choose which power up we get. I'm gonna get him. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Remember, Ruin Matrix, if your bot wins, you get 1,000 doubloons. 1,000 doubloons. Oh man, nice well placed dodge. Almost melees me in midair, but misses. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. I'm a shark. Slow motion gets chosen. Bullet time, action. Oh, and I get Ruin Matrix for the kill. GG, Ruin Matrix. I get 1,000 doubloons. Oh yeah. GG, guys. GG. Whew. All right, guys. That was a crazy day. It has been an absolutely crazy day. If you're just tuning in, this game was Skyhook. It is a game where you fight with grappling hooks. It is out now on Steam Early Access. You have been enjoying Quasi TV. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed the channel, please remember to give it a follow. Today has been an incredible, incredible time. Host abused. Yeah, rigged. Don't worry. Soon, I want to work on making it so that I don't even have to play. You guys can just have your bots play against each other. If you guys didn't catch it, we worked on the chat suggested sketch today. It was absolutely insane. A turtle in a jetpack, a Pikachu as an astronaut, an emo llama, Triceratops with a lollipop, a bear with feeding somebody with a fish. It was so crazy. Today was an amazing day. Thank you guys so much. Who just followed? I can't see the name. Rolf, thank you for the follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to the crew. Thanks so much. If you guys enjoyed the channel, please consider giving it a follow. Today's been an awesome, awesome time. We're going to call it. It is 5:57 where I am. We're going to call the stream for today. Remember, guys, this stream is every day, every weekday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Chicken Nuggets. Chicken Nuggets. Welcome to the crew, Chicken Nuggets. That is an awesome, awesome, awesome Twitch name. Ruin Matrix, thanks for the link, man. Yeah, I usually do most of the art myself. Thanks so much. Mr. Cash, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, Mr. Cash. Mr. Kashi, welcome to the crew. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out today. It was so great. So good. I'm going to switch over to the ending stream. Let's see if it works. It is blank. It is not blank. It is blank. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. George9394, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow. George, you are awesome. And now you're permanently stuck in the overlay, apparently, until somebody else follows, I guess. George, Defy Comics, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the crew. You guys are awesome. Guys, it has been so good. So good. Thank you so much. Remember, the stream is Monday to Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to follow if you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for all the follows today. It was so amazing. Oh, man. We're going to wait to see if Daniel is ready to stream. Daniel S&D is another game dev who hangs out here on the channel. Green Leggers, welcome to the crew. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're going to host up Daniel's channel. I want you to guys, we're going to do our first raid, all right? We got a ton of people watching. We're going to do our first raid. We're going to head over to Daniel S&D's channel. We're all going to jump in there, and I want you guys to choose. You can either say Quasi TV, you can say Skyhookers in the house, which just seems to be a popular term here on this stream. Whatever you want, go in there, blow up his channel, show him where we're from, show him where you came from. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? 140 person raid. We're going to do this. We're going to head to Daniel's channel, and we're going to blow it up. We're going to blow it up with Quasi TV. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? We're going to head over to Daniel S&D's channel. I'm going to host it up. Daniel S&D is going to do some game dev. He's also working on a local multiplayer Unity game. Talented game dev, great programming stuff. Let's find his channel, twitch.tv/Daniel S&D. Daniel, if you have a link to your channel, here we go. We are going to be raiding this channel. Here we go, guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Is everybody ready? We're going to host it up. I'm going to host it up. Are you guys ready? All right, we're going to raid this channel. I want you to blow it up with Skyhook and Quasi TV and all kinds of nonsense. All right, guys? You ready? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. You're the best. You guys are the best.